No see about the Mama, your mamma chain, your more Badwam TV, no see her casse so. And open summer saying a brasso, so to be a year, dear. Nanso abe your maimun semninti also to be a dear to your mobi ya obatini. Any pamia no dear, a monomo honomo, one must be one monso a prano, a dear more day, yet a sansam no ebeba. Now ya quayensom for fromo, bambo fortune, any pamia no beer was so say. Any padun see beer, NDC. Women organizer the beer no more to ho aba wo mo ye basabasa wo hono ya chi nipa mienu bi so e wo sansem ne mo sansemi eni sembi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase no wo ho Go TV 176 DSTV 280 ano pay me amesom mo medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mo tie so den sam no enchemu ankasa etie enipa mienu ehye dwerebe ya je say wo mo enipa dua no adane enso mienu so wo mpro no na emu eden ni nyina eye overtaking boni bi a eye salonka bi eye ye de kohia ya enam so man kwanhia si ye wo Porting Junction wo kaso a Cape Coast Quantum no eso
mi fidomrase Junction na me besi akotofu e wo Porting Junction ti me du anu mo no sprint bi overtaking na me see for man and I'm a coy. Dimmy free Junction, I go to me for me free Porting Junction, ameba. Me be drew on more, Kirby at the form of Anum. And then the parky, ye barber share, shall be some more, you know. Dear, you know why I ever see you, Nana, you must say Jeddah Canim, and I just say, ye Johnny Fru, na, dear bear, your friend for yourself, so I fra will be a man. Until last hour, might be what you school or that be to a friend, Unibar for the buyer. Omutimi bedu mujano obi me pacho ni petu driver ni meti omodo mu ina hye condemn long trader na ijede mu me pacho omu free Unibar side eba na ba kusu free Accra side eba
Alidu Inusa eye shenkani anu wotwi articulator hyan a na etoso mienu no ono so kire modern bo a obo ye se ne nkebe ya saa kwanhie yi ensi
nyame wa say private car white one be across so kwan am say akwe be cause me accident and me hear dem me see form no nyame ti an say gbe ya be hit me de no nti ma me kaka nim ti mani su na ye metum nti me chemu kakra ansana nti me see form no and me hu say trailer no eda amenani mu nti that time no na ayese me nko a me twamani a ti anche bia and me hu say boy tia bi so ayede abaha
Post fortune enipa mienu bi a wosusu say NDC Youth National Youth and Women's Organizer election na one more a year December da na etoso edu mfimfini mantemu no basabasa ya ekoso no sa nipa mienu yi ombeka nipa dunsia na isusu say wo mo ye sade nti wo no ma kire won a Adom kase etoso
A police for actually enipa mienu bi a ebra ndi samanyuko no eto wonom National Youth Organizer and Women's Organizer abatwa ekoso opanima abosomeda netoso dum afimpinu ene aduonu mienu mu ewo Cape Coast e won finfini mantamu no woye basabasa ya no wo hwehwe wonom akire wonom sanipa mienu ya wondin ene Abdul Khalid Shaibu a enipa dodo na tarfan Olu ene Ibrahim Razak eka enipa dunsia bi a a police for the betu just say a sign say wo ho bon sabasa ye kosto ewo sabato na si nti wo hwehwe wonom no eho opepombo so meda neto sonson afimpinu ane aduonu miensam ene wo kire wonom ewo tamale sese sa nipa mienu wo de wonom akwahya police for kukumu a wo boa wonom amwaye wonsem ni mu enhwehwe mu sani pa mienu won kata won anim esane se abra wo de beto montene so se wo hwehwe wonom no wo de wonfo nyini ebegu montene so se be ya o manfo betumi aboa police for ama wa kire wonom police for koso akire mu se wonom da ho ai na wonom nimdie so ye nhwehwemu se ne be ya enipa dunan a aka no wo betumi akire wonom ya wafasa akwanya so ahye o manfo nyina abo se yetie bia wo be kire se nipa yi na watwe wonom
Kronti hima ya watch for mampon traditional area ya nana bena mo anima otoso me ensa nana ede ade na to twifuate mokwa adehia ya wachire ne benche ya nimo se wo mo emra twifuate mokwa district hospital ho na ward bia de onso betimi asomu bia no fa na wo mu a obetimi de aboa ama ayaresa bia na gina ne naso aban ne fam dia wo ye na kromafo nso de no ebetimi afa ne ntoma pefra Adom TV etwaso
amfoa emetia mento asie me gidi se nini wonabo samoato amo a ohu die obi aye emeka na koma enti onabo Abraham Duma odu nyame hira no se nyame nam ne so ma okai tufu na nam ne so se otun safle ni nia honabo samoato amo a ono nso aka na koma de woda yeso se yenso ebeka mo akoma se omumeboaye
Comfort Asamoah nurse in charge ewa yaresabia honomo ono nso ade adesrede to kanema hyebedwani no animu se wono mu hia infidie toys bicycles ene akandia foforo bi ebeboa ama children so honomo aya akono ama nkoda oje wonom eto honomo
mpacha mi ko vibe wo ha e kan say bicycle ye was small bi a motina so I say wheel bi betina so mni bedi agro games I say computer obetimi emi aso e bebo nyoma otimi de toys why adie because na ye ninda na enye obi a so na obetimi aye sede why niema odi abai aka se ta ama ayarefo ya nka yesika no kra
aban no esinkete se enuma awodo ye wo man Ghana mo no ba be so won mo sene ankronkra de no na tumi so aboa amoman yakoye nime wo mu se ahokire wo mu de nanso ne famu de bia obeye de aso se nwumako no ase no aban no se obeye na mampani ene kruchi sansemi gu nkrata so ema osofo a wo hwa kwantempon ho nsam so kwasi amu akwata ekokan ye ewo 20th anniversary na First Sky Group for one more ADA ase Adom TV ko hunti etwaso ya de sansam no ebebram wo emra esemu wo yenkase ahodo mo yemonwura mu nkoye nsam foforo mo na National Commission for Civic Education ede to Ghana fo nyina anim se bre no aso ekobasa abato bi ekoso ewo ya mansini ahodo mu a obi bia nhwemfa ne nsa enhye ase etisa assembly members abato onom no yade ne kobaso no yade obi afa no ho nhyem na nne beboa maka bi ma nka bia mamu wo nkronkuma mu nso etumi ama ne mu so
nti ese yede ye hu hyemu because ade ne senate no ne awo electing no ono na wutumi bisa na asem. That is the essence of a democracy. It's not ye elections because why we elect you be a waka say okay ye nyina ye yi wo back no kona kohwe ye niama soma ye in fact ye betua tax na ye de atua wo ka ne ade ye make sure say nia wo hia wo de be ejuma no be ye na ejuma na wo ye no na a benefit ye nyinara inti no important say local government no we are taking it seriously as citizens.
Enwechi osaka de to aso se ewumu se kebima menke bia mamu ede asumdue ene oman impuntu eba nanso enema bia etimi ema kebima menke bia mamu esei na oman ebo eye ekwambone enipa benum faso etu afumagudie esanse ohwa aman bi etese Burkina Faso afiapem ahankono ene eduokuno mu mentimi ho ase bi esore wo hono mu a na ne nyina no eye afumagudie to ena edebaaye bionso eye oman a emu aye den ene etoturafo a ebewura oman mu senti obetoto asre aban panimfo se wanti wani enhwe safa ne nyina se beyi a oman kabima menka biamamu ebetimi etintim
gold ni ade no na munya warlord no eso totio no dey secure ni baby oil operation no na afede na etio bebre ba society no mo na afede nkrofo be ko ntokwa no be start wo gold no ho saa wo be sha no man egu na afede all the progress aye over the last 30 years aye bo hu dede enei na nyina begu because of galamsey
stores and 9 die jatom arsenal ewo enche ewo win mensinimo wo Western North mantam nimo na tailor for shop besa miensa na moto spare parts and so shop baako eka ho bie na obi a wono no ho akọ adwamu ewo jahihye mu ya retakoma no ne Adom kase di nkomo no wo chichire mu die enam so ema osusu se gya no ebai
150 and I want to be fair reta solena light I touch the other stone me to America so le by medu ya na why na won soro no atouch ama light ni free soro eba tie ho no na nipa mienu bi wo mo so mo asoma fire se enko fire service ragya up ise media ana me bla bi na my sister baako e pa ma dey store 5 aka see 5 me ma wom machines kita nkura almost 18 madam so kita nkura be 9 actually yama yema nyina hye ofo niema me hu sika je nyama nyina hye
osandi tudwa se eja hihye ye koso ewo mpatemu no Electricity Company of Ghana ye ECG one modern bo a wo mo amo enenam suma enema eje etre
ECG for light no po na si wo no problem wo ti me kan ye me ko complain ma ko fa engineer kura de naba so me ya homa no na omonye omusi omoje 22 million sana omo be si polu amaye yenya ye no mu me ya homa no na ye nko off me kan omo ma me ya homa no ene se ahoma aduane polu na abu no abu ya etoche de jashishe bae
Yeguso aya wo Western North mantam no emu na ye ka sa mantam no mu a enuane e wo hopa kaya me se Ghana timba nom ni ade ne ma mfa so bebre wo ho den so wo makwan ya kwan a ye ka kwan anya wo mo so edimu akotene kwa kwan ne nyenyenyenyenyenye enuane na gu wo honom so se beye ebefrefuo no mu na aba monten na ade hye nya bia die no eno so akwakoye o dadwene nti ade hye ni Adom TV kase edi nkomo stempenifo so omumra Western North akwan no dodo no a Koko roads nam ne bebi enuane no wone de kwan na anye timpenifo emedi ho dwuma
spy what me kita ba na ba pa ba hwe guado yenya kati ye kiwo bonono ye na to so ba ye ba ti me ko hra fa me ko la di ne ya fa ye ngo hra so anye ye kido aseke
eti media aduane ko dru ba bia people yiso anansuo yimu na ka ntimi nko atim ese ye aduane nyina agu ho ye nya ka foforo ba mpo timi fa nko na aduane nyina agu ho na aporo
ye kwane de enkoye ma ye kura aban kura aban bi ba utimu se kwan no omba so kakra no magai omba so kakra no magai
ye kwan no ye kon ye di hu dwuma ko di se obrebebre yenso ya ye mutu hanam bia
ahohene a ono ewo adwuma empatem na napo ache enso de adesede eto aban nanim
kwan no mo se mo de ma contract na betwitwa covet yamna no eja hoko be afi be 2 years kurani wonsi ha biem nti edin sensuo to a yetimi kokurum ye de ye no bae eko nti atofo no kura fi kumase ne nkran ebeduru ha bodo no mo fa no dufodie omotokura kai baba be fa bodo de akono nsukura na ya asem bebretimi gu asa
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso hwene de mo koye nsam foforo mu na mpanimfo eda University of Ghana ano se kane adadafo bia na wo mo junior common room executives wo Commonwealth Hall hono nipa nan wo mabo wo masensen ni nyina ne se management susu se wo mama ho kwan ma wo de hall hono mo no ama nipa bia be kasa no so no enimu ntro ene wo mo aba be kantino wo mabo se nipa kuyi asensen Adom TV kase etoso
University of Ghana Legon Siapono eden krata beto montene so a wo kire mu se osana aboso meda neto so du wotwe ene dunkunu e wa afempinu ene aduonu mienu mu no empanyinfo bi akane na wonom eda Commonwealth Hall wonom junior common room ano e ma kwan ma wonom eye nhyiamudie bi e wo wonom JCR honom wo kire mu se sanhyiamu a woyeye no wo ma akwanya e ma nuwe bone bi ekoso e wo honom a ensem bi a wonom ekeka wo honom no na ya ateni a wofaso edibu senior officers a wonom eda suapona no animtia enam so ema vice chancellor any pro vice chancellor ema academic and student affairs wonom asoyeye no obu wonom animtia adesuafo bi a wo ho kan sabre no ebo school nimpanyinfo amane enam so ma junior members no wonom disciplinary board etena ase eye nhwehwemu efa saa sobo a wode bo adesuafo yi bi eho na ewi akire no wonom esiji na yese suban a woda na die no etia suapon no emra ne senti adesuafo a wondin ene Paul Enim Inkumwanu woye president Bright Gati na woye vice president Daniel Kofi Buache na woye secretary ana Daniel Oduenya Akwa na woye treasurer no godifo ne senti watwe wonom adesua asensen a emfie miensa de wontumi enkoto wonom adesua so ewo school mu honom ofofra no waka ho eye Frank Asaria no waye legal officer wono de ehwehwemu a woyɛ nyina no ohun se wodi mobem ne senti wanfa sobuo bia amono ya wono de wo akwanya se obetimi ato anadesua so enkrata ne mu no wɔkyerɛ mu se wodinkan atwe Paul anim inkum adesua esensen yemfie mienu asana wodi fo ɛwɔ saa nhwehwemu a woyɛ yenimu onam saa nkrata yi so etu adesuafo nyinaafo asan so ahyɛ wɔn mu nkran sɛ enhyehyɛyi a egu akwan mu ɛbɔ suapɔ no ho ɛbra no wɔbɛkenkan no ahunu yie no ate ase nso yie sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wɔmfa wɔn ho enkohyɛ no wie bi mu a ɛbɛma nsunsuansuo sei aba wɔn mo so nkrata yi Emilia Ejay Mensa ya wɔyɛ registrar ɛna ne nsa ɛhyɛ aseɛ
Ghana phobia wɔmote ahye wɔ adenta mensini mu wɔn kramantam yi mu nso sɛ wɔn sono egu ejamo ne nyina ne sɛ demolition bi akɔso ɛwɔ hɔ na wɔn kyerɛ mu sɛ ɛhɔ na wɔn abɛdwiri hɔ no mu sa wanhwɛ nipa bɔnfo ba abɛtete hɔ na wadu abɔnofo sam wɔne Adom TV kaseɛ adi nkɔmɔ yi
anye moto ajuma ai my phone eba fix light one fix light all around factory ko ye wo se ke ni po factory ko ye wo se ye bi ene dem fin pe fi fine skome water no ama fite no fian no even po any you e wall le yo den che wall ke ni bi fa akomo fin
de na era ha nya kra because we hear bush na what this side na anrobes wo ho omo jiji amanfo bus moto ena utwom anwubre kwa na etumi chiwo na ya rope woni niama nti woman ba ya wono ba be develop area ha na ya de community ne de pa se ban sa ma kro so nim de kro nim ti e ban sa kronfo na robes niama ha me nyina betumi ade apamo ma de akwakire nti esere omo yenyu omo na ewo ho yenim se omo gade se na bibia betumi akoyie se bibi kobone a omo no de omo boy at the same time so no omo hwe se eniama so nyede enkobone miles se
woman came with a good intention. She put up lights, street lights. Everywhere was brightened, and you realize that you had confidence when you're walking on this road. All of a sudden, yesterday we heard that it's even created employment for other boys. I know one of my youths who were telling me that Charlie, apaya my wow, Charlie, eba anu Charlie, bibi Charlie, bibi kosu. At least it's reduced what chrono theft ni maybe our hood ni mu.
Menya no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia no pay na ha na brema kwan na yede ni nyina esie renda ya fofie da nti modjuma home yadwuma die 24/7 ni yegene na so esom sompa nti ne nsam no de asisi o mamu no brason say yede ebramo na holiday no so no na say ebi mo so bejeje wo mahome ya ne sa batoba ye online portals Adom online as a my job online ya hu say nsam ahodo bi so egu ho e wo se yede ebrawo se ben so ejina na so oman hene kwabena asante ono so aye krado na se ye de no so atoa so de amamo eno nti eno no ho ensam ti ma afidie no nkoso a na na Adom TV mo amohwa ye live of Facebook/Adom TV yeda mo ase papa nyame enhiramo ti de edu so no se brane abaidi abemmemia no but yenso ye we high ti ya mo afishia pa
afi komati
afisa se na ugina wona so se ya sa na mo fe no so gina
ye hia pa ne nkwa ene huhumu a obenyini de hia ne kra de nchiremu mu ankaza be nu hu ko fudi we aba ma men kan kire wo na wo utwitwa documentary any videos catch president handlers ne say Jubilee House and baby you tweet videos nin confo on my dress they say rascals because me call Jubilee House that's your catch them slippers me fa jeans nkwa so 3x4 for abro fu bi no be na mo dey Jubilee House I could track video Google abontin no ko me catch wo na wa me catch you careful me catch say sa na tie dia ene ye mboka nko South Africa sa akode ne bi mu ne shatawale ne afia mu ina sori o monko Jubilee House nkutwa music video. The handlers of the president should know that that's all na nyina yakoma wo ne ba bia tutu na jeje mu sa wo. If it's an official visit obetima ko Jubilee House neatly dressed, they look like rascals bi o makoni na Jubilee House wo e you fear there no problem say you fear e wa fear And no can we a president, man paying to any easy, sir. But now, if you catch them, say, yeah, a bit of White House, rock could be ever quack. How many Ghanaians got access to the president like foreigners on Bob? How many Ghanaians? Ghana afford to do a side jump to 4 papa or Ghana. I must send easy access like that. Please. Mama, you're careful because you are to be BJJ mu. I have a special prosecutor. Wakasa sa DC or go to your task. Not even do the How we try to enjoy from was this administration is not ready to fight corruption. Then get out of that place. Get out of the place. We are tired of everyday repetition of same old thing. Now we are still the same. Now people are enjoying. Now more catchers will be ready to fight corruption. Now that's what you are doing. DC equal to bribe thousand that's in front of the wasting everybody's time. Why? Why? You see a people from 2023. Yes, I and your mother than I 2022 I put the 31st watch night as album pie. Those things don't change a country. It doesn't change a country. Drivers are still parking anyhow on the road. Drivers. Journalists are still lying. Blackmailing. No. Public and civil servants, no time may be pen on Juma. And ministers still think that and this reshuffle is coming before the president travels to London January or so, 14th. Reshuffle on pill obey anye no tokro ba kwa bedawo edu obeye. We have to be serious as a country. It's not just the figures changing 22 now 23. Still, if you look at the faces of young guys in this country and women, frustration, desperation. There is no hope for the Ghanaian youths. Now to an mamasa 3x4 guys with Baby Jejna, yeah, sovereign place, no. Able to music videos out. Now Kofi Ampedu catch them say, young White House if Shatawale Bonko. Now Shatawale kwana na best no, obet me see anymore. We should be serious and be proud as a sovereign country. Let's start solving the issues that we need to solve. You have to tune your JJ too much, especially the handlers of the president. Mine, easygoing presidency. Bibia we throw at it and we take it like that.
It's easy for some people, not.
It's very sad. And this year, we are special prosecutor because we are not ready to this country or this government is not ready to fight empty people in this country. If you can't fill that seat and do what is expected of you, get out of the seat. If you're any man of integrity, we don't have people who can say no to this situation. And we allow politicians, both sides, NDC and PP. Detroit can say to the war into Kwabesi and the stakes are high. What stakes are high? The stakes are high. Please. Our universities, just the traditional universities, and Kwada peer free Ghana universities, 4 traditional universities, private ones, we are now becoming an endangered species. We are not thinking like we are a serious country. Why? Ghana Police Service. Baby, a bomb sound where say criminals and from age of 18 to 40. This is the age bracket on which my boy Ghana. Why? And countries you don't understand. Why? Yes, one age and a fish upon I feel quite aggressive. With this my a happy new year, glorious super new year. I feel they sit down. We sit down with Poso.
Yeah, person.
Why? Yes, you have not set your priorities right. Your foundation is not right. Every blessed Ghanaian be a prayer. John Sokra no sebi obeso no be mama John so no ofi se prayer be man jira oprekope na ejo so tata what be that we do what is wrong. We know said ye enye ni asaba ni abe pacho ni asaya the same thing again enti ya sa ye ni fie kwan ya sa fi 1992 sa dia be 2023 we are still doing it and we think that Ghana will develop. Omanya ya so ahoho so chen kroma Omanya ya Ghana ni na obi e adwuma kwan bi ya Ghana ni be fo so adwuma be gu no obama na gu Omanya ahoho be ya adwuma wo ha within 6 months we are spreading all over the country. What is the problem with us? What is the problem with us? We sit here and we are talking about the weakness of our city. Ye nimnyan say you na call him by ye call Oxford ye call Lincoln ye call Hwan you know any cause say Jachi Pramso for Christ the mighty Japas Wesley Day secondary it ye nimnyanza. Why every day we come to repeat this Mr. Kobo Efiama Nkwa tape from 1992 or radio ni TV show and some more kan Kobo Efiama Nkwa tape Ghana and some Efiama Nkwa kan na also about playback we say nothing has changed. It's the same old trouble. Problems. Kasa. Why? The pain here is that and all our young guys, majority of them, they are turning into fraudsters. A man who are turning into prostitutes. The country is not safe. You don't need any prophecy or a man of God to tell you that we are deteriorating. How? Mrantia wo kokronim nyina ya chachafo. Wo nyina ya fraudsters. Mrantia ni nyina. Anya ni sa woni. Maba woni nyina dodo na ya tutufo. Why? Do we build the country with this kind of attitude? Where is the hope? Where is the hope? Where? Where is the hope? And now bakura ko sukua. Suku no okobi keke because it's a norm. Yes, oko we kra no I manso. Empowering Ghanaian people to set up industries, companies, and whatever. I have problem. Mo sika no so a mo so adufudi pe. Man warning na say. No, say pe biom. Sa pe biom aka ho. Na yen ya ekosioko. Na sa ko di lie. O se me MPP ni me NDC ni me CPP ni etwa woni, ni etwa wonsa, ni ebo wasum na ko da hospital. You are mentally sick. 2023, get off that mentality. Oh, public service. Why had not 40 years as I say grant me to be. Very painful. You expect that Ghana will be void of corruption? What's this? What's this? What's this? And the promotion even at public and civil service. Adani party, Adani and Niasem, Adani to whom you know. Society. You are due for promotion, but what that? This all the eba. What? What is this? So don't see me and greet me Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's all bogus. And you're just slogans I follow keke. Nothing has changed. What is happy about the new year? With this foolish attitude that we are all in. What is happy about the new year? You tell me what is happy about this new year? God has given us life. That same 2023, no, other countries are developing. Interest rates are coming down, inflation coming down. The youth and the people are living good, reasonably. And so hey, Baba, not does too much. Yame krabre, ya bom pa ya ko bobo kra, here Baba, ya ko ewe, here Baba. Wa bom pa ya unso nya de ehia no, unya de efata no. Ene za da na wo kan, hu mrantia ne maba, mrantia ne especially man mpo de ya de bia meka say kwabena bi betwa ma osika bi na mema no mema no obi ama no enti na ne ohu ways and means bi ebeboa na fast na akwa akwhye ho enya better sa penifo enti me question ya wo kasa de ba mtim say enti say 2023 de na ye plan ya because plan I no na say sorry ni plan ana nkremoda ni plan ana baburu ni plan e wo ya baburu na utie na wo de say amanyo sem na obedi di akira you know you have a problem. We have to collectively fight for this country. Because you will be biao. Yeah, catch a fighter. And yet 20 African. And you nyansa. And you agree to a 20 body ni die. And then kura mua die. And you force to mua die. Because all university campus now will be a parking land cruiser, 55, 70-year-old, or chase across 16 years. Are you mentally sick? Is the country built on such prostitution? Country ban na developer, you did German 70 fraud na developer country.
So but most can you be added or no better?
Country ban.
But most can you be added?
Which country? Tell me which country?
This one now some fast answer. Sa into one so who trene and so anu abiem. That's what you say any taste.
How?
That's what who trene ti.
So don't see me and say a happy new year. Onyame the new year na ma make kwabena sante. Or the amount so. And it's for a purpose. It's for a purpose. God didn't give you 2023 to come and repeat the foolish things you are doing in 2022 and still think that there's going to be a change. I just say no. Obia woni da hobia person obobra sefa ayetne ne bra bia no eni bra ni ahoya ni 92 ni konkonsani pull him down has been a bane on you. And additional can say so. Only in this country that if you attempt to be honest and truthful, hardworking and focused, you become a liability.
You be you free hokura. Obi to wadro den.
Why?
Poverty of
the mind is killing us. Poverty of the mind is killing us. Don't deceive yourself. That 2023 there, Metal Lincoln, Metal Trasaku, Mekosi, then what shall I say you will map over them? 2023. What have ever false saying what?
Rapture.
If you do a first,
I didn't can be saying the year came 2023. I want to I was a penny for year, I was 1 more year. A school for a university graduate for your school, so maybe you know, you may be on yet. Oh, bressa, made a be on a point and penny for. What much a church war, I buy new money idea was one more retirement. No youth now, what much she so measure hono. Sadia Maca. When you're 60 years, no, it's all.
Look at the stories. Fire gas 14 bedroom apartment, the money I cousin.
We say, and we see ya kuo matu won mu fie ma mene ne ba ya kuno e de ntia e de pa na nipa behwe ni nyonko nipa anim ngwa kuno no sese ya nyina ye ka se wo ka bi o empanifo mu sorry na youth na bre ya de bia me ka me say panifo na wo soro pa wo de da ko ye atwa wo de enkwa chiri twamo fa achimota o station ho na hwe nipa anim timsi ayi bosa anya se obi abese obi ayi ana bibio ade a chena adwendwena da no so do obedie mesi 2 cd mpo so de beto kokoni kosi e no kwa aye problem am obi ti dia ne kasasa
Ghana ni no so adwene no eye sum Ghana ni na adwene na nkasa no eye bukata adwene no kuta waso ado pay e ko be fa so be
obi
Ghana ni na adwene very dangerous mindset of the Ghanaian
wanya ne sa woni di wanya ne sa woni
dangerous.
Because as I say, you know, kasa ahochira about 2022. And you know, we are saying this can shoot in the Sikani be power with what Nanua to me.
We are considering you. You're also considering us a 50-50. Sir? Mushe, obedience can your man go now bofu.
Now Antonio fire. Send your mother you.
Oh my baby. Who are the says you want? Let me the other side and come. More no more come and actually on some pay more than the money. Pretenders, cowards. Now we are happy. Unipa na wa ma such wishing a glorious new year. No, one kasa crown is in the panunya na bekuno. One na wa stab in the back. And I also call it chair service. Na one this can watch. This was new 32. A glorious new year to you. I TV swinti I come my response. Let's be truthful, let's be honest, let's be focused, let's be hardworking.
Mr. Sunday, because the message can say 2023 no. We don't need anything new. Yeah. I said that no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, boss and Cassandra. Especially the
MPP and the NDC. More than see a chamuti class here. MPP mojabe PNDC mojabe PFM. Mamu mi anso so ebi no mo MPP ni NDC o mu se hunu ni kase hunu no mo de ehunu no man sa na. Ye ni bi kura no e kwam de ye kura e Ghana. Ye ni bi kura no obi tumi keka ope ana obe penti no. We can't be enslaved. We should come back to life. Because on your mercy or boy son is sexual. So what is your problem? Why do you want to be a slave to somebody? Yanka say dear cry and pet. Yanka say dear. Ghana ni if you from kama. Na Ghana for na shall say excuse don't be trying to swab.
Say Ghana ni adwuma pa be gina de there be come the be ma hoho no ye gina na.
So don't come and see me 2023 and be waving that demonic hands. And say na waving like watch na emu na ho. Ozo opa won say chichire ne. What is 2023? 2023 is a blessed year. Onyame dia man. Se nyina adwene ko benkro ye adwuma ye dendi ne kurama Ghana. Ye ho be hare yen.
Obia be yo.
Esa say no cross senti say 15% increment crab across board traditional universities na ye twema so ho. 15%. Obia calculation is different.
Nwanwa. Serious o. Say baby any pay did you ho. Nti de wo ho ani.
Da mase. Afina na room 2023. Makachiro. Obia ntimi nsisa Ghana. Agi yen. Obia ntimi nsisa wo. Agi wa. Obia ni ho betima ma o. Ai o shebra sisa. Agi wo ankasa wo ugitum se. Wo pese o shebra sisa. Obia ni ho. When to bibia so it's important. It's important. So put on the whole armor of nukredie, of adwumaden, of focus and determination. If you don't go through the process, you cannot arrive at success. Because Rome, and I was multimedia we know. One for 2 days, na the multimedia ni see who.
Open.
Mutie. Wono unu baby amikramadu. Wono your best choice is Trasaco and Lincoln Navigator latest 2023. Una ni queen. Ube wuntem. Ube yarenso. It's a process. Abrabon is a process.
Empre o moja beba. Boko.
Well, yeah, better must say SDA for so mintimunka I last end in the man. Muka se muni o mo be watch people here. Adom for you know. Mobile.
Mama.
I mean who say was do playback video bi na ba oni o mo tuni mo ka mo kama o social media.
What do
Efia
that on said this month what came mama fanka ho.
Yeah.
Cervical cancer awareness month.
Okay.
Mano. What the last 3 years or so I'm a catcher on nyame anim no guess no what sort your mom.
I'm a doctor and I'm so be boy. No ye komo.
Yeah, di hu komo. Yeah, won kwa hia no yeah woni send ya wo so. Nti videos no so wo ho. Oba bia. Yes from 9 years. Sa 9 year akra no. Ohun be ma den to no no de no akobọ na vaccine bi no de abọ no ho ban. Na ya ye di ka break ye ho no de. Okono akoye screening no ye screening na se problem ni ho announce abo vaccine no se problem wo ho my dear so omo hu ne ntama enkum wo eno ne asama mpese obi ate ye hu ne ntama enkum wo ba wa me ye hu ne ntama na afi cancer de no ho aba abagim cancer nso unim se de ate obewie na dollars no ne ade ne ye beje me mpese ye betua dollar bia ma obi a enti ye nko se kura ye awareness month ne bo kura ya no matete price na so sa enti hospital bia ben wo mom yenko ye infections nom ni ade anya no ma e mema no kono mo de abre yo na e me ye wo hu no mema no na
mo ye kodeba
mo she na mo de ya tenesa ye de receiving kwa sa so ha
ka kire ye se sa kwanya we na fufuro no
so ha no
ma bako ura bako chetokro enko so we de
so me jam pabo aho nti no mumia manage ba kono a infections na dawson to ba wi akire no
kan se buka se yedi agro
na ye de yare no na ebre ma no eno ase medofo bi frɛ ye wo radio so na ye me ya pregnant woman the fourth you know ko wi na the fourth one no ye on se ye omo test ye ne se o syphilis ti syphilis no so aba no ye me no mie no oba ne be ma no ene wo se ye check be ma no so onkoye
sa ho ma so na wo ye mu no kra me ntia si
be ma no so onkoye ade no so wa anya na so oba no nko akoya eye ni kunu no cosmetic obesa we bani nada nkobesie ana oba no se wonya de ene obema na use condom na wani obe use condom
na wo be no use condom
onya enti wo se na ama adwuma na ye okwa
wo na wo ya kam se piaro ka se wo use condom
woni piaro awrade afi de mandina kakra enti de ka de abesie ne se emema ye wa moyi se koba se ye process bi infections bi ni ade aba say ye mienu nyina ni antu ase a
and we should come menka let's keep having that conversation while we are any fee on say on form so the how ba na ehu ni ntema and mama wa betiri so usi anu ntema na eye chen daache eno no ade hie wo ni say ene me kwabna sante me ntu sa na mo na ekofa ayo ne we brem ni bi go bia na akoyira na afi unkokura bom no wo se wo se wa ofa bi na chiri ba na ye so wan kasa na wo ye wo e bi na ti si ni besere one more homodin kura no the option is last one da ho ma no as obema e condom one more homodin kura no so what so pre o de ye encourage sa but essence say wo busua wo pese wo secure na preserve wo munti no o de option nyina anko kangu no ba ko ho a oba no betimi ahye ana bema no betimi ahye eno boama asundue ba be
infections no ni ade ya na bi mu de pregnancy no kwa no more prevent but infections no so hard dwene because cervical cancer ye kan kwabna before e be yi ne ho adi na nya be 15 years 10-15 years old
la ila
yeah nti nya se bia ene na me na kohie mu na na ebo e hye wo ho a hye wo ho nti before be pie no na ya sa ache wo ho nti ache wo ho no afei cancer ne de no ho bagi na spread ko other parts of the body nti na ye ni abre e kasa ne ye nyina ye nko who bleeding be anya normal obi anya menopause so no bleed from home medofo ko hospital ni en check him from one ya menses this month be 1st January be a week later what's anya biem ahu anya normal ko hospital who discharge be a sent kakra wo mu enya ni nyina na ye be ka say cervical cancer but please go to hospital and nurse for no wo doctor for no eno mu ni nkomo o be help fine na ma no ye mo ye ho ban na yare na do so infections no adults yes your time yes you better to say
afia man kwanta maklo ana o ma ye ne kom na santi e de abro edidi so bon se professor anase kejua bon se sister sandibi bon se edidi so efisem bon se edidi so pese mu ne ye toa so ne ye ko na afia di so ngo brew ne ye toa so ne ye ko nti ko so ye cha nti wale ba e fa ho ben oti a kire ye tufu en na fa ye ba obra na me abre bi hia bye bye
Kwaba kese bi ne ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwumadi so na dia wo kan si won sempa esa kana no pensu jam din di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono quantum coding small do esa kana no pensu e wo Ghana gudim eja o share so mam sanyuma kuni e be semiensa ana omobo miskadwe tremen no penso yade nkomo no eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. Betting the intensimo chase a bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sika era nyo ya no eno ane di twa bet ope bet ya 1xbet modern da so do between St Jim and my boys timidi bronya na anwada new year so 1xbet madama wo na eboa amanyama etian koyi edi amamanfo modern da so ni mu fi nwotwe fa wonyim emodi abofu nwotwe na hwese ne masi ko na busua de japadie bisa asase agams ka ko na champagne abetien tabiri na de ketwa akwaje kese 1xbet no eno ho enkomo aname no ebo no Jeffers mixture adulterated say infections related to gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white fever, and so deep. On sentiment, Jeffers be beating Samboa, a proper Haravano Hobo, I'm waiting in Chinache, but more than that, say Obeko herbal shops, nothing pharmaceutical shops, Nemo, on submit to me, I can Jeffers. Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. A kind of deep part for a pampas, Monasino, a drip preparatory bois, Emma, Utimi, and so Enya Pomoden Papa. Ko aye ashama me market na fitema so anya na hokra obetia from so 020 821 9129 na one sedimo gel and roll on for yenhwem ko yenhwemwa emaniama 822 ye fama we mu ana airtime chia boa men na person nkomo no etimi abro yenhya se fan fi Spanish La Liga matches ne bitime Santos of Manuel na Villarreal wo mu 8 match Real Madrid etwema ka binom te kana ba ko Mallorca eche eye Real Valladolid etwema ka ba ko mu so etiante Espanyol etimi eche Girona ene mu ebo 22 na afi so Ameria wo mu transfer Real Sociedad ebetwom eka bienu wo makasa mu fie wo mu etimi ante ba ko kura na Rayo Vallecano wo mu transfer Real Betis etwema ka bienu wo mu te kana ba ko Sevilla eche Getafe etwana ka bienu a ono so ete ba ko na Atletico Madrid 0 Barcelona 1 we ene matches outdoor epiemu or Spain. So, next in a PMO Italian Serie A, Kensi Timensa Tuja Elho, and so on ye come at the amano. Fiorentina 4 chase outside for Ekrema Camino, Omte Canaba, Juventus 1 after Udin 0, and after so Monza 4 at Transcend Inter Milan, Ebo 2-2, Nafe so Cross Salamatana, also any Torino, Ebo 1-1, Lazio 2, Empoli 2, Nafe so Spezia 0, and Felice 0, Aukuma Sampdoria 4, and so Transman Napoli, Camino Montiante, AC Milan, and Afe so ES Roman so Ebo 2-2, Ewo Mackenzie Nim, Ewo Aye Sari Anim. Ines and no so it was a PM but quickly and friend it English FA Cup matches I would do no so it was a top firm na enye asem kuma it was a so at my countries wo so share se be so FA Cup rebetian start to join England for ediomanim kan ti ehwe sana niama esi akoso odwumadia wo so egusu edinim but quickly third round of Crystal Palace for Transi Emma Saddam T between Cameron take Kanabaku Green Forest Green Rovers so any Birmingham City the Akensi no a bit better 10 times the rest and the Messi course Akensi to share afen so Graham and so Transma Leicester City between Kabaku and Preston North End for Witherspoon Town Kamiansa take Kanabaku Reading 2 and Watford 0 Tottenham Hotspur 1 Portsmouth 0 afi Blackpool Richard Frankpool Olele Kingston was kind of my side team some years back omoche Nottingham Forest Nottingham William etwom 4-1 ewa Sarkins na afi so Bournemouth and so any Essendon Stanley ebo 1-1 na afi so AFC Bournemouth wom so etasema Burnley ebetwom eka 9 wom te Karam Mino Chesterfield wom so any West Bromwich Albion ebo 3-3 na afi so kra no oba Fleetwood Town wom so any Greenwich Albion 4 ebo 3-3 ewa Mackenzie and also Etvensato Ejano we England FA Cup against Etvensa Baso Omujumedia Omudim third round still no Bristol City 1 and afi so Swan City 1 afi Derby County for Bantley for 3-0 afi Cardiff City and Leeds United ebo 2-2 na afi so Hartlepool United one so transfer Stoke City betwom Kamiansa Omantiante Norwich City and so transfer Blackburn Rovers etwom Kaba Omantiante and Stoke Port County also transfer Emma Walsall betwom Kabinum te Canaba Aston Villa and so any team of DNA Stevenage ebo 2-1 Emma Aston Villa elusu eofie and afi so kwa Manchester City womche Chelsea twom 4-0 na afi so Motherwell and so ma me hoye womo any Habania ebo 3-2 ewo Sarkins kesia and also etimi etofem ewo English FA Cup ntino ye highlight.
Let's hope we see
this FA Cup na yepone kakrama wo hwese na nema Asia Continent getting more interesting nyame adoma ebe koso the updates na twiansa bro but quickly yefa ni twiansa nchire Algeria eho ana chana case no 13th of this month here ana AB Sarkins case na no Ghana Black Galaxies on nkane from the local blasters no mukupie mu ewo Egypt o ma hosisi ohoroma omoto hosisi no so ewo Algeria for ehye so na no weekend no omni Algeria for the friendly game back with 20 times so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the scoreline was barren obi no hotia posunyo kwatena Ghana ehwenim senyame adoma yebesane Madagascar for eri akensi back with 20 times so no be ochena Tuesday and Sarkins case betia basuna fe the wrap up your preparations are edi akochan akensi case betia santo jenim cheno suma se chana akensi no Ghana yene Sudan Madagascar and afi Morocco and with the same group mu Glassen Awaku wono has a full for signing or sign Black Galaxies captain or the Nkomo Ejai FA preparations so far Black Galaxies oh my
everything has been good from Pram to where we are now in Algeria. We've had a couple of games and I think when you compare from Pram to the 2 games we played in Egypt, I think the performance has been very good and each and everyone is coping, each and everyone is cooperating well and the technical team too are doing all they can to make sure that we get to the level that they want and the level that we can get ready for the tournament.
The Glassen Awako ono ane Black Galaxies captain Atene Castle didn't come Ejano but the OHS and Mexico to Ghana. We've been absent from this competition for about 8 years. In few Makumakubes and 20 afi and Abroyi Pumakumu na Nyamadema yes adiani 8 and Sachirase. Yani host nation and the Ebo South friendly games weekend ya Ekobasa Tipen Cross use and itimi etuja ehonum. Yenko Ghana Premier League in week 11. Matches I would do it in top from Kutukuru House 2 and Afi Brekum Chelsea 1, Accra Lions 3, Lagos City 1, Hasselfolk 3, Tamale City 2, Kerala United 0, RTU 0, Nafi Bichim United 1, Kumasi Kemfaisa 1, Nswatraman 1, and Afi Samate 0, Deans Football Club 4, Mediama Sporting Club 0, and Afi Kumasi Asante Kotoko 10 minutes to full time, and Omo Ete Kano Inti Kotoko 1, Great Olympus 1.
Former whistles, and that's the kickoff here in Cape Coast. Tamale City gets us going now. Leventus looking for Mohamed Yaya. He's up against Samuel Inkum. He gets the upper hand over Inkum. Here is Yaya. Switches played down to the left-hand side. There's half an hour, and Hatzabok drawing Tamale City. It is Obin Jr. with a cross flicked away by Banyako, leaving to us Ata Gideon Asante. A clearer and a better view. Salif Ibrahim, he makes it 1-0 for the Phobians. Hatzabok up by 1-0. Goalkeeper had no answers whatsoever. It's Hatzabok 1, Tamale City 0 from the spot kick. Here's Yaya. Now Kote, lovely cross in, headed by Eduku. Isaac Mensah sets up Yaya Mohamed. It's a goal line clearance for Inkum, and it's a penalty. The ball made contact with Yaya Mohamed. He's a Cape Coast boy, and he wants to score in his hometown, and he scores. Isaac Mensah equalizes for Tamale City, and it's game on. Good play from Jakbasu, switches to Mensah. Here comes Isaac Mensah. He's up against Okine. It is still Mensah. He whips in a cross. Eduku's header, and it's the second goal for Tamale City. Samson Eduku makes it 2-1 for Tamale City. They've shocked the Phobians. It's 40 minutes, and Azabok showed Tamale City by 2-1. Salif Ibrahim with a in-swinger. Asante Yeboah trying the volley.
Ball in play, that's some good tidy play there as he clips the ball into the middle. And that's the first goal for Accra Great Olympics. That's Bashiru. Out of nothing.
Yeah, and Kotoko stunned. Really stunned.
Out of nothing.
It's an incredible goal. Now, right from the play here, it seems Kotoko had it covered here. But when Bonsu missed that tackle, it was still Gideon Ofoe in control. And after he whipped the ball across, nobody there marking Bashiru. But Bashiru with the Chester, the control was excellent. Hits the ball beyond the reach of goalkeeper Asari. Asari can only watch on. And the ball rolls straight to the corner. And Olympics are leading here. They deal with those crosses with cheeky ease. Jamal Dean, Setre, and of course Oko Gripman, they've been excellent.
Dying stages of this game. 90 minutes over. We're doing 10 minutes of time added on. And we've done it. Kotoko whip it through, and it's back. Yes, they're back. Andrews Kwajo Apau.
And so week 11 of the Ghana Premier League and the Demo and Kumoka Criterion said Janya Doma, a best and Canadian San Bashan Swam said the matches will be between South to Fem. Gold Stars Beton said that Fredriana Stars and Mahini team. Now much she's a kind of dance park, Lord Netty, and a best center referee, Eddie Masakins, Kessia, and also a better Fem. One expert, I've always told you that betting is better than soccer or bet day. We try to be for bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sika Yano, and you try bet. Then we actually know who you are. We try bet na sidiwa adwunu betia hye wani betia call we three betia bom so one expert when you move from we transfer fa ho nyim je fast mixture and so adwuma pa infections na tetewa was aka be betia bo na fe sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel was set me ke be no so beboa e ma apomodon sem agina pintin we radim we so na me gina nam de na so komo isa kan e wa wo kansi o bedwundwumedie so e betia si me so asu de sister Sandy be a guy Ami Adoma or the common eba or in chinkunchi diamount in terms of entertainment there or entertainment preferred back Ghana had you be anywhere obey Sister Sandy. I entertainment. I just say be out of Robert. Ami Adoma uncommon de ban edos. Meaning the profit ki wala sagudi catch back and I'm generally of course evidence based sports presentation to me jaw. I didn't tell any man you can see if you be in the Sony and found Kobe. So the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Uncle cry. And then between
Hey,
and then 2020. I said the whole year me whom we say.
The whole year me whom.
I say year no so I see a dear but if you try 8 days.
9. And 9.
Yeah, they make it free.
Oh, it is free. So why no was started? Yes, started. Yeah,
started. Ah. Now where?
I started that.
I've been at Badwam.
Be Pacho. Last week you need Sister Dr. T. And Rami your life. Yeah, na obi bae Dr. T, you am say over steady.
International.
Over steady.
International. It's actually good morning from fan of our street. Badwam Jumedi Suni ahosepe kum efisem. And then my name is sister. Yeah, they air bremo. And Dr. T.
And then me baba you about on birthday. Nana ma enima opoku.
Okay.
American about ko enya no family no.
Sir.
I have cartoons am be no bro. Just what tree no kura want it.
That's about na
hey,
how you doing and all that, you know?
Dear, yeah, no my peg in the idea.
All right.
Sorry. Mommy, sorry.
So the peg is the creative sort of.
Sorry.
That's fine.
I'm sorry. Hey. Yes, so many. Why cartoons are manana ma say ne kasa nyina da ne I say what the cartoons for ne din komo. And then the birthday. It's na ma opoku anima. Happy birthday. Nyame show. Nyame nyo kase kosi se obaye kase. Wani so ade hunu nti erade do ba wiase no. Omo nu ho ate. Na ma twi ne no so ne ja. I'm sorry.
And yeah no actually no.
Eh yes na prem to.
Yeah. Prem T.
Pamela.
Prem T, to my producer. Happy birthday, Kwama. Pamela Prem Tobre, aka Prem Tobre. Do you the legendary name or so carry along now or the costa?
Nah, yashasi and yashasi.
And a holiday.
And a holiday.
And here fan I was your chile. I was here to me mom locations be. Oh, I was. So
entertainment prefect today. Yeah, a few so. And also my locations no.
Locations in the Bebre
Sandra, Ghana ha. Yeah, war tourist sites.
Bebre.
But I say a year fort on so. Because yeah, more dodo.
Ebi mo chili o, ebi mo isha dem sa, ebi mo chili.
And I make a few now money mono. Omuni.
If you know, you know.
But bebre nyanko omo be obi o ha wo hwe yesa. Eh, musi bebre o ho monke kame
nti. Obi o kwa say be kan bibia hwem.
O te be bi kro. Obi o ha Christmas yimu. Nanka onya anka obetumi ne family. Wono mapie, but ono de bia de o te ya say Dubai. UK, US,
I know because the way I was here promoting tourism, no, Dr. T. What's your say? Because Obeko attraction centers, no, send a hobby needs near than a haunted star. Uchapicha crane, it's our Saudi when it's Dubai. By name, no, ever some places. Now, only Abusia for a holiday with me, Cocochilena. More relaxed some basa holiday doors will groom up.
Ghana,
yes, yeah, for holiday say.
Yeah, they are chokra.
But who?
Before buying a credit statement, but yeah, planning that.
What is the State of the Nation's address is saying Chebe holiday.
And yeah, because it's possible. Ghana had here. What's that 25th? I'm say Sunday or say
Monday. Holiday sing na weekdays.
See Monday, Sunday nkwadia.
Monday, because we na Saturday. Holiday na memene da.
Memenda no. And see edin ne.
Mama animre kakra, mama animre asino.
Yeah, baby.
I say me animre because holidays na yados. Yeah, they den. Oh, abaye adwuma for the ya na mom because they have to take rest and all that. But yeah, okay. Yeah, the adwuma kwa holiday credit. That age them 247.
Enu nti na ya na me hu holiday bia wo mu
because adwuma ne de bia ye ba.
De bia ye adwuma. But then obi beba no aba be kan na sika ni o mamu.
So omo chele we ya me be kan ye nko ye de camera ko wa be nko fo a
chele. Enra obi chile because and holiday ni nti na em say akwachia na
obeda sa squad town ya omo chile
pa ebedu bi na da sika ni mamu e de ye ho chire ye
na
wa de sika so.
That's right.
Enti ye sika so kom de ye no so wo dwene kwa chire bebra
e na wo sasa de nti na foreigners bebra ba town sa ye misa ye ho sa this December particularly in Kofa Abatown. Only person Nancy na Mercy, a Nigerian gospel musician Mercy. Yeah. Why are people entering the country? But yet Timase ye who are the Krontia and Kofa Bem Sabat on the real no December ye can't celebrate some Abadan, Hollywood celebrate some Abadawa. A best shock prize. A best shock prize.
Then you can say Obi a video your Jubilee House hui.
Yebebaho. Ye can't holidays destination now. Recommendation e dey ma e abusuafo na e onye abusuafo makwa akọ chile onim sky bar
eno wo he
me kwa minim yet afi na me kwa me be hye na me hu be bia
producer na kagumu
what you say we minim it now 5 restaurants to visit in Accra. Okay. We are near Malkumas, the other places no chilling places be Brabantin Pacho Yeshember.
5 restaurants you have to visit in Accra. Rose Garden is the first one. This is the brunch spot. Brunch is so good here. Then we have Vine, really aesthetically pleasing. This is Latin American inspired and the food is 10 out of 10. Amazing. Then we have Honeysuckle. Guys, if you know about this seafood fried rice, so good, you have to go and just taste it. I'm craving it now. Then we have Mocha's, really good seafood.
Any destinations I bet me look out for. Ebi a oni Accra wo Kumase wo Takrade nimpotem ni ade no Kumase kwa hipa kwa ade say you na was
but still I was say ma omo Ghana for no so free because obi o ha no nim ba bi na me nim even a ha wo bobo body to
edi no kra edi ni mo edupan ti ye me phone lines on ye be be phone lines no but say bia wo Accra ha say na bia ba call Abadi Beach Hotel I was say international that's and I say wo be call you Town Palace I was say yeah moving pick no any airport just say you know yeah what areas we say very hype aduane ne nyɛ de mo nhyɛ no sonson ebi wɔ hype aduane ne nyɛ de kwa
fine but one say but any obi na ebi aduane kra no obi wɔ ha
environment no relaxation no
what's na fia check on the family no ho nti na ya na sometimes ma ware kra yɛ boring that's
some sit down
yeah so some what's na edaba kum acha de awo ma be 3 4 my dear system na wo system no na make sure sometimes ma location no mo ho Sandra ma men ka sam nkyerɛw obi yo hono ma na Labadi Beach Hotel metumi akɔ Tank Palace metumi akɔ untumi but enye picture na wo hunu na ebo hu my dear the just space one drink bi mpa at least what's the same kakra yen system ma location no mo hu because ebi yo hono ma na enye ade no my ne twan no na ye problem wo de kɔ yan mu say me kɔ ba bi say a picture no aduano kɔ ya na ho no say picture no obi ho no na picture and wo pese wo obi so pese swimming pool no pese wo kɔ no kokɔ dware mu bie enkra ne especially you say Blake's Entertainment yeah no share port hey very better why you be say
asa ma no ni bi sa no
Ghana hey ya me defo ye wo playing grounds ahodo wa ha nyene nyina na menim ba me sure so say wo hwe ye sabre ya wonim ba bia
obetimi afre na wo so achre
na wo so
ayi bia ba nsuomunam wa hu sa place nsuomunam
mate sa nsuomunam
ayi president bagay we be restaurant enya better sa was I say honum ye white for power but was I say international Royal Rose by nsuomunam no for the records they saying is one of the best places to visit in Accra
dinidini anu
nsuomunam because
no mo ton wa na
hey okwa ye ma chicken then ayi fish on the tail and then crab
you know ho ben na me can wo kan so be kata na e betumi akọ
Kuzo Mass Rooftop you know these are places are holiday me person go for
kaso anyanya no baby dey edine dey say blue big resort
yeah be hu
ona say me kan wo say me kan kaso anyanya no my dear mama you confuse you what mama eniema confuse you me bo kaso anyanya no na so Sandy is say
wife pa me a very good place for very serene
because you may boni tunko you may
ya de ombeko ho
de nyame ayewi ahwe so aba bedru sabre say wo spend kakra bi a little wo life mu so this year mpesa me pampa me ho kakra Sandra susu bra wo wi de ni na bra pesika no na so be we ja na no be na ba bedie ni pa be di ni free wo ye ko ya careful wo be say atwa wadapa aka ho enti wo ho no mu anya nipa ho na te no nyame adom wa so ye nyina ye so aboye ho ban ba bedu ne wo ne family no awu yempie kakra wo so wo ma wo mu so kakra na je say ne wo de asesem na afa ni ma akoso ye di ama wo what you say ma Sandy enko ahoma ne so mra ye ba mesa to so di ama
that's right because movie industry na say ya senki bi ebi mo kwa share the notes asenki kakra ebi mo chemu egu but I don't believe in bibi egu I believe in still nenko 4 year adwuma Kobe Rana produces in still my brand Nebeka say most will produce 1 I mean even else more people are producing but the problem is at the intina Ghana movie no enko Netflix. Netflix is not there, you know. Enya mark and say change na ko ha na chese one make debi. But before na Ghanaian na Netflix. On and oye adwuma wo ho no but say you know oni ho no mo so wo ho I don't know. Oko Netflix is Nigerian films agye ho nyina fa. Eti Kofi Asamoah one of the best movie producers our Ghana has say and saka no ahoma no so person na twetwe nkomo ne bi ta ne say so problem no share den fans ana say location problem here then Kofi Asamoah ahoma no say hello good morning. Hello. Back Kofi.
Yeah, Metonka, good morning.
Okay, good morning Pastor Akwa baba bejem djumedie so.
That's me, my wife.
Me da CP me jimi bro nya de a check me jimi bro nya de.
Going on the last year, then
anyway, back of here, bisa questions bebre. Eko for pitch mo movie industry ni egu. Answer me next question no. As a movie director producer no, do you believe in industry ni egu cry ni?
Oh, the industry art game. Eya art etumebu amani yeyi. Obika say movie industry egu. The question will be on what basis you can as I said. A group says say you jai solution. A group says say you jai sini and a group says say sini any Ghana until good year. And I'll be able to move.
Okay. It's you know, Ujna so say Nguye, yeah. Then why what's the issue in Tia Ghanaian films and all over? There was a time Ghana movie na emu dead to the extent that patients as well me back Ghana be trusting. But now we don't see things like that. It ain't time I who Ghana sini, especially on Netflix.
First of all, I am some Netflix conversation. I am curious. I am Netflix is a major distribution channel for film.
Okay.
The film our Netflix and interest service sini papa. And interest nipa o chance ni Netflix no and it's not a measure of performance, it's not a measure of cinematic excellence.
Okay.
Other jurisdictions Netflix ni say ye hu almost so a cheaper way out. But if you apparently say there's a war Netflix that makes sense good patronage. There are several other portals that even pay more than Netflix pays.
Yeah.
Some of us have dealt with different portals, Amazon Prime, American Comedy Central, Hulu, we've dealt with Netflix, and you know what the difference? Canal Plus, etc. There are several of them, and which are way more than Netflix. But of course, Netflix has good PR, they are able to promote themselves well, so they are more popular. And education, they young man and party as yourself. You see, Netflix in just said why you and now seeing Netflix a new area.
Okay.
In any case, Netflix no plan your zones. Seeing bit me our Netflix so Ghana. It's international can do America. Oh, yes, I will see in our Netflix. It's international.
Well, that's true though. That's true.
The focus should be on other distribution, more distribution channels than just any single Netflix. Service you need to go. Yeah, you come here. Papa, but in Netflix, open Netflix. Sinipe be owa o sha service bia anya wa kono anya ofe anya sini bia obe pese obe tiska papa. What in common as?
Yeah, myself.
The industry, member say the Netflix and then measure the success of or the progress of the industry.
Okay, I know I dream of kakra because I mean, saying how can the other distribution networks are you bet me a cash out more than Netflix, and it's very true because oko Netflix ne so as ni bebre ho no ma egu so kwa enye se yesini papa intine wo ho intino de me no ya adwen ho but mama mbisa as a director do you fear to use new faces because social lata for cinema dane den na mu introduce new faces my dane den it's not always about Genevieve Inaji and all those people. Do you fear to use new faces?
You see, you can't new faces now. They be a day in day out. You use new faces. Even if you use
as main characters,
you still Yes, we still use actors, new faces. Some of who are calling actor or different film, but we still use them. Now here is the problem, and this is the risk. I am and we are tired of Hollywood. See that? Nicolas Cage is still active. Denzel Washington is still active. Whoopi Goldberg is still active.
Yes.
Do you know how old they are and how long they've been in the industry for?
Yes.
It's a moment say, Obi go through. This is what they do for a living. To be actress, actor, we say we are tired. It's Yanko before from that. Are we tired of Jean-Claude Van Damme? We will still. They are still there active. They are still working. It's moment say, sorry, Obi back to say Sandra. No, Abba. New faces now, okay, then we groom them. Then after 10 years, we tell us that we should put them away and introduce new people. The new people that you are talking about say Nigeria is bringing new faces in. These new faces are faces that they have used over the time. And yeah, Obia Obe usually say why a star. There's a difference. There are people who act. They are they are not there to be famous. They just want to act, get paid, and leave.
Okay, but the American.
And we do that. There's no film in Ghana. New face and I say upcoming actor
exactly, but the American can't say when you see new face na Monsanto Mungo fan no, but say industry say I obviously who new faces so and you still see our old actors. They all Canada media to be said by your old actors in the crampon. It's been a while me who people's favorite like Yvonne Okoro, Jackie Appiah, Yvonne Nelson. That's a production I see her in there, but I mean other old faces in the crampon for Dom on the crano. We hardly see someone you see almost to say Grace Omabo, Grace Naughty, all those old people.
Yeah, you saw when I seen no more.
Yeah, sure. It's a film or Ghana film. Where sure, away bus, maybe away bus.
Away bus.
But I can say in Shadia, then problem near dating a professional Ghana film. Question that they all can date in a
W. At the appreciation because now I am competitive. There are so many other options. First, when I'm traffic, who see the at first, the deck, internet, the own out of first, half time, not digital dispensation, Netflix, near all these portals, and then my even YouTube and then now racing. We talk a coffee now, when the internet are back. It is the competition, I very big and huge. It looks or it makes it look sad. Yeah, industry, we are expecting to see the same thing that we used to see. The audience is also refusing to adjust. Say no. Say Ghana cinema because they say Adom TV movie cinema. Who will go to the cinema?
Me pa show you
cinema. Movie Ghana film. Who never go cinema?
Me pa show you Ghana film.
Okay. O see you into omu
nko. And make some Ghana film. Into you was cinema obeko because so that if you are Adom free.
But I get new ones for my the baby because who premiere was theater. But Oka competition, you share Ghana film compete globally. You bet me the Ghana film
we cannot compete globally because and that is where the problem is because there is no conscious state effort to support the movie industry. Nigeria now there is a national agenda to use film to sell the country. So today
Me patrol, okay, supporter. Then I'm here from the state or government as filmmakers. What exactly? I'm here from state.
You see, the same way the state will treat sports in this country, the level of support the country gives sports, the level of energy that the country invests in building stadia. The level of support the government gives when the country is going for World Cup to buy players, to train players, to pay coach, to pay the GFA, do national budgets. You can't budget. You can't GFA budget our national budgeting. That is the kind of support. We are not asking them to give us money, but they should create an enabling environment. We will help ourselves.
Okay, but I think the government will buy, you know, our releases can be 1 million be for former government, sorry, former government. NDC. Releases sika. Pacho unyabi. Why you been to no cry na say no cry in general?
And no dey me now where. Dey me where.
Okay.
This current government gave ya 2 years or so ago, you said $3 million. I mean, no.
Okay, but
mama bra confirm me one official pan so be me da sepa ya hu se wo tu kwan so wanya bra ni edi nkobo
ontna Ghana kra
me de afia mankwa atamaklo na asa o kasa mu no enti no aban no se de o se aban di bibia ba aban ti so yi ebo am ba 2 years ago enti na mu aba bie mu na mo sa hia wo se asa
Dabio manka so obo ayo
no wo se wa twa sika bi
Dabia na me se enya no kre
okay this die no say enya no kre o kan
aban ya ti so wo se aban we
Dabi na me se anu na minim be no so na enya no kre
ayo
tini na enya no kre
okay
enya fanda
okay yo any me da senti me question am bu said access say na akra no actors ne actresses na akra na so almost shift from one purpose and one adwuma omo ye say omo twesi ne no kra ba ba ye adwuma foforo omo ne say ebi my musicians ebi my presenters no me ade wo say no so factor ka ho na ma say say sini no ni twa no ye ntemon kan
on best shift because when American say resources ni funding ni ni support ni ni any sign man can get na anywhere police and obey dey say boy yes can you di bottom your bottom ni di trust ni enye baby an ekoi but into be hu say obehwa Ghana film ohwe Nigeria there's a film the day which is on Netflix I don't want to mention the name but they had a budget of $2.4 million
budget na buy na dem a omo
no in the state enya buying price not the federal state the state Lagos state the state in Nigeria
that's because Nigeria no
yes
abani nya for so free revenue
not just $2.4 million then fan state na Africa but state you know governor no and the investors said for afro almost say listen our state Imo state we want to do this $2.4 million then when we finish we'll be comparing senior you did $10,000 to a $2.4 million budget film.
Then am I industry attractive am I investors embem
it's not being attractive because yes investor no obedient in the sika back how because there are no cinemas in Nigeria the number of cinemas we see in Nigeria you can put it in cinema in about 60 cinemas
and to break off say e jaw kra ma wakwa ne kra mu no da bia asem we ye kan ye bia we say me ye sure say ministry no be sa ba no mo ba kire de o mpeso o mo ye nso nkosi hwe enti dia party solution o de wa no as a movie director no me ade wo hwa
solution solution na a conscious state effort
okay
state support because emrano wo act film one film council some money now but even the film council no any film act one no they don't even have money to run the offices the NFA don't have money to run the offices
and say we no
the system the structures are there many are yanti from her but are you not aware yanti from her no say and a film bill no has to be passed so that you see difference in the film bill has to be pass a film bill and yes
anyway my say now self flight in so there my angel wona to kwai o ba size 39 year 2 why
enti yada save Jenny yada save so near chichenko
thank you so much
okay Kofi Asamoah a movie director producer what Ghana has say one of the best actually ono na ene chichenko more conversation is very broad
Sandra
see but obia will roll to place if you aban no konye state them as artists no
Sandra me who say Ghana kasa na yede
but them as actors no so mo so ho adwuma
fine
je dem man attractive
ya metre we say ye pekasa dodo
ya aban no so sa obia kasa
na me ko men kan ye but me say what sha hodo ni abehye bo ni etwesi nti say former president and say NDC abai no 1 million no nti wa he ana kasa keke this kana wa
but for all you know akodi obi nsem for all you know na akodi obi nsem
ni omu famra
oni e wo nsem no kasa presence na yenye yinitisia because eti ma saban be twa intro sa you better find it out
and mampani dada Mahama ka sembi and I think it's true as ya na ewe fi ade ntem do
no de Ghana
yeah you know before ba ya na me ewe
gig yeah me ni is gig Enti no abranti a yenya no so area school National Film and Television Institute, that is NAFTI. Owie with BFA degree in film directing. Sinibi to say keteke aloe vera no ka ho. Peter Sedifia. Abranti ne yade. I'm very interested in the aloe vera because I think a lot of work echo pa. Enti yensa ka no so hi bra Peter, good morning. Hello. Good morning, Bra Peter.
Uncle P.
On mute. My salty and can.
Sound no my.
On mute from home my CCR.
Hello.
Oh, Casabat being telling.
Mute. Tia besha na yenyano. Basa de na make no. In general, not even the industry movie creative no kwa. As a kasa no ya do so implementation enye dwuma. Ya kasa na yeah so no yeah so as ye share them enti dem dey share ba bon yeah serious minim say yeah nya
where mute am I Rapita, good morning me pacho o mute pacho o tie nka e form ho na won say o mute e wase ho o mute won say no international yeah that's yeah
mo official console
I'm not sure me so.
Amen. Yeah, that's it.
Now to Musa holiday, some keja or papa and keja or relax your body neck a crab and come away and so here. Now holiday. So I be our yard, okay, Juman, dear. Theatre no so what been we way back and near. We hear your movies, nomni and theatre nomni dear noa. Dear Nasa, dear I change you more.
Oh, Cecilia, make say the only thing that has changed the technology, no. But I'm not saying candy.
But you're talking about.
There's a technology, no. Because those times, no technology, no said that and doing me training said that.
English, you know.
Okay. Those times, no. More senior, senior, like senior, obenya their VCD so. I friend the cassette. The cassette until one to be our own share, as I say. But see, I know that Yamana connects technology. I the acquaintance. Go for ye from a put me to go DVD so and also cheaper. And I know so no your machine size me boy no be bracing cassette no. And after that so no your technology but those machines now instead of what me friend on internet like if I friend online streaming platform just say you say no you don't have to go out to go and buy a cassette and that's what cost cinema so we share we get me at now with them 24 hours even so one person will pay cramp for the whole year with me now with them now I share the watch cinema it's in na kahoma. It's the audience go for motion no might try a bike a crowd saying that because obi ni Ghana on so betina show film obi Nigeria Singapore na se bisa any so be Ghana na area what film nti eno na say aba boss ni traffic
I mean they get out na abeboa
say na aba abeboa nti aboa so people are complaining yes sini na enko ba bia etimu ena ye nuanom alatafwe overtake ye nom ni ade but me wa Ghana so ya wa content no so creativity no mo wo ni nyina ni ade nti die pa biem na challenge no because obi wo US no betimi access ye movies ni bi wo online I think senka ne kwaso ano no nti die biem na aka nti a ye nti ama say woti Ghana hana nkofo ne free wom kro so ba ha ba ye niema ma ye nyamfa so
be kan ode no ho ebisane he per se most of his movies on Netflix. He per se in the movies no copanti. What do you do differently? Nti awo de no yetimi ekọ ho like what is the secret if you don't mind sharing with us?
Okay, I mean don't say somewhere there. And you say gente among the best complaining still say Ghana hanu no yen sheda any idea a friend distribution system and as a distributor nipa na so wo traffic ni we me yes ni twani
okay
you trust ni we media me also be a obeka so of ni we me fe me so na me de makohwehwe nkrofo a ometo na maton ama omo na omo e de so anya osika kakra e de aye the next one ye ni sankrofo no Ghana omo aye o Ghana ye omo twasini no nti ya ye twasini no ye nim de efa
distribution
no nti I was saying, Obia, obedient, honestly, I was signing the no bagano. So far, me, my cancer, I mean, every platform, Biam, Cobia, me can't. After no Biam, the challenge, me, Biam, and Shamin Pabako. I met my friend, distributor of Ghana, obey so cinema. I got on my desire. Go for a motor and cinema, man, on in account. Now, Ghana for Nigerian South Africans.
Me, Toronto, Facha me. Say kwa wu hia so bi ba je akwa akoton ana bibi etesa online wa won tumi upload wa de process
distribution hu be hia say we benya distributor
and said antisa we upload online now want to upload here but me is about no and said first can remember I say we dey to YouTube na obi share na your board advert across so na wanye bia na say bi sa and so and they want to say friend self distribution and no but so per distribution papa would be young wa see can also be a quite a share bibia Netflix I did film no coach so Netflix film we dey free Ghana efe pama share director no ya dey and actors so o ma jidim panty moto na mo dey two channels so ko be hwe pa na okay Netflix be hwe ka so okay film we dey go fa mo dey kodam nti me to I'm subscribing go Ghana for be subscribe ya dey ashe and I say Nigeria so be dey am subscribe ya ashe na Netflix atisika ade ama distributor na se pakoma film ran say me turn the film
it's not say ojibi wo bi a Netflix nam ne ada you know wasa wan so bi a YouTube ni wada online portals so woje wo de ti sa na betumi abo ama sika no wonsa aka no why the next one okay
Janet, because the truth is one gasa who upload sometimes no those online portals no make just say sign because online now obiamba me platform the embe our YouTuber obiamba me online be and I say because okay our YouTube na gasa no baby what targeting no say bia what target say ma nkrofam wo Nigeria enhwe ma nkrofam wo South Africa enhwe nti betimi a manage no sa nti but the important thing is that YouTube, you know, it's a win or lose. Always me and Yangophobia, we're gonna go for best 100 penashe. And no one ever scabian bro, but Netflix no, because some already have over millions of subscribers. No whether why you advert to one advert to or sika. So you don't have anything to worry about. And as Amazon Prime, but that why you advert one advert to or sika, you don't have anything to worry about. And that is why, and sometimes airline. Maybe O2 kan ba no what na play no
Nigeria for the ye nom ni ade
exactly
won ta Ghana no ba ko pe bi na me hwe na Ghanaian eno so na e fine agete ana no go mu some move me finish I but na it was okay it's I think baby I would
I say me for example only from Senator from Ghana ekasa to tell is me Obia media this year. Me opportunity I mean na me be kwan ma Obia. Some of the Ghanaian films now show who on Netflix. Me ma bontin be me kan na me boarding so but most of them me and me connecting my money as Netflix taking account because I feel say me kwa me ya and so like it doesn't reach anywhere. I say one kwa who team and I say who negotiate offer be it's not going anywhere but mo come versus boom na say almost say Ghanaian movies no if Peter Nkwana the movie was Netflix so we should do all so they say yes ni onti Nkwana enko emphasis kan kota omochina baby like more that's why I look at it from that we need more people film on those platforms for say like the rest of the world we won't say Ghana so significant and never and yes nipa bakope na yes ni Ghana because anyam Nkwana me senior Ghana any opportunity be amenya bia no I try to bring all my industry people together to make sure that we access the same opportunity. What I said.
Okay. Now aside the non so no, ebi mo so hwe ni say the enti ebi ebema Ghanaian movies ni bia ya bore no ni ade. De bia ni attendee no mu wo mu insult no ni ade. Asa ya one way bi attendee no do so nti sometimes wo hwe na bia wo ni akra sha. Na no odin say wo behwe. So ho. Nti ano so no de na ye na ye shape ho no no so say ya at the end of the day, anya atem didie, but who say or making a point. Obi ehwe, obi etie, beboa obi a. Ehon so then am oya de fa ho.
I know the you can say me sini na me de call cinema na me tona amanfo ba be hwe na oneji ho na just Netflix so after me senti oh amo pe me sini amo beto amo tona amo to mam sika na me oh be e dey na Peter ya on the film no yeto na me le me nto be o self assessment don't say me dey not in the day ni me dey no any quality ni good it's also person who dey call honoma you will learn from it me too before say we try your senior men the jack men but one so we na we show far by now it's me say and talk and I say you advise yourself and I think that it's happening because me first film Keteke me release I think I had a lot of young folks because those time it's just the Shelley from Manson friends Kwansan mo the paying for now most shots that no mo je film no na nice and colano yent me nyebi of course na me akofia sama so I started fine but me all over friends Keteke no I mean, a lot of meetings with young folks. A shaman can say, me, young person, met me, I successful. And then they can also do it. Then the next thing was, how do I do it? Netflix me talk, Amazon me talk, it's me playing so. Then the next thing is look at the quality of the film I make, the content of the film I make, and they try to also replicate the same thing. And gradually, we are all doing. I mean, of course, but they learn from other people like the Shelley sentence. But I'm just giving you an example. Say, so be as need a coin now. They are coin also. I'm saying, self-assessment and self-evaluation. Who say, then I need power we a ye and I may now. I'm saying, why would I say, who know what's the son? So that's what I can say.
Yada say, Papa, panel time. Your bomb pie, fear, yes, simuidi. Bibi amuye bia be successful na de enmunyam hye abre Ghana yeda say Yami Israel pa
Peter said if na ye no echeche nkomo just say okra degree or filmmaking like or very good call Netflix ni sini group brand ya de I've been wanting to meet him na me hwese mesua 1 or 2 e won ho enta na ye kan ho sepane ya fisembo mu itimine my sister Dr. T and I edi jumedi no ho chiame e de amawo na what say make me ba Ghana why make me what de okoyo no
nya de okotwa na yiwo
yes but any fault and I say security lose guard but me bisa any fault and security na lose guard
because as I na tie de we are music video be also ya defa
yeah was e kotwa bi wo but I feel say security lose guard ho kakra because if it's not supposed to be so now wetimi kwa twa aba outer then we have to question some people. It's in.
Also, aban mu mpanimfo ba na omo beboa ye ne dance ye begya gum ne obi e kasa. Obi
e kan. Mo release statement be appropriately. Na ye hu because esa kasa na ye mo. Kasa na ye mo. Obi on ti ase beka bi. Obi so beka bi. Security man so be feel so why na fam. Timpacho I think a statement is needed.
Na anti way from presidency no. Ye kan say say on sheda mu ade na so. Presidency ho no, Jubilee House ho no. And I may video be a mehu.
Mikmel, American rapper.
Mikmel.
What's in the phone? Mikmel, American rapper.
Yes. The Okotran wo hono. Any the Jubilee House wo hono.
Any music video.
And akwakoye we. And you know,
but we are not serious. I mean, we are not serious as a country. Say it. We have to be serious because President Gina Kasa on State of the Nation's address covered by Hello Fellow Ghanaians. One Okotran music video. Me blame guy no.
Na so no yama no kwen wonti me
me blame guy no. Bibia to smith ye be share say mo release statements na Ghana for yente ho ase. Enti say apa ye ba betwa music video ni bi wo ho. Wo mi nya ntwa akla.
Asa nhwehwe ni mu nso wo mu kakra. O sa de wo fie a onye. But we ba de ama no. Ba o ka say bi ye start
dey Shatawale Stone Boy Kelvin Boy mo. Ene ko ra ho.
No Ghana no asa nhwehwe ni mu.
Ghana kasa ye shedan do ye die.
Ye no ye ho.
Ye pen hwehwe ni mu ahoho die no ye mo.
Ni mu ahoho die. Asa ye pe praises no. Aye ebi kura wo abusuam ubehu be be
fie nyina
na yire hu of a pa dressing won kamfo ne da obi abonti ankofo de pega hodo
tinada you can say
smells good
it's like that it's like that
enti sa na we busa suban mu mienya 2023 ba me enfam wuram
enti mu
de wo de se de odi atia na kamfo no se de opesa wo de ye no mane nya sa amfa ma lumba nyu mo obo ye me refi sa
phone na ka phone
hanya phone no
new one no
the old ones now nobody ofi bo nyansa nwom nye ne ba ya na
akuti anyom na ya mo sa na chu kaka
na anyom but ya
sa no chinti no ti no say what you say
it is sa na nwom bi oh anyu ya refi
o ma title
me hwe not okono not say mia o hwe mia me te so baby ani baby
donation name one say ka de fe yan ka bia me ka
when you suntraso presby but as more can say among contention okono not say mia
ya say be pon ka mo ko music akra
baby ani
ya be pon ka
me anyum na me refi
it's no 2023 ya nya sister fia message afutuo ben na woman youth no say nkwala na ikro mo panji san nso ma tumedie ni ade no pacho youth na futuo ben because saluna nkwala bi ra JSS graduate rent ade na ehye nkwala na enye ba ne hwan ko kasa okofo se ko
because wo hwa dressing up so ye bi
social media sim hunu na do so but I think charity stars at home e begin ofie e was say parents ni etimi ne mane kasa ansa no akohu abonten so de bia ne fe timpacho mabunu no
yeah the last
to mo for
2 weeks or so minya opportunity abeka Pentecost
okay
na youth no mo ye dinner bi na ja
odidi kakra
na ja ya kokasa ye na na ma asam ba ko ameka ne say parents no ya ne ye mani nim komo
debi
nti akra no de oni ne ye close pa na danfo pa no na kwa kodi enkomo but I was awofo 2023 ya ne ye mani nim komo oba obemu we ne nkra ne nim komo enkra ne kasa pa no ameba boy say kasa bebre o masum sa sa santa mo kasa eso wo kasa dodo
yes
samia man shada anya se esa mejeje so ne de wo kana because ayes wo kasa dodo ntia bi a utro no offer asem bi pe hia no wa hwa o me kan kire enti wo kasa wo kire me you didn't see wa hu mebu amahu kam so okay na me bo bi chinko se da be ya obekasa mo na school wo mo di statement bi aba rules bi a wo so wodie nti makeka che wo ya no obo obi din so no tisam se da bi wo de wo so ye odie e mo obi adie bi a wo tisa na obi anye so parent no ya me ani na ho na ya man ye no mu ni nkomo mayu no and then na me can cervical cancer hu nkomo me stroke ko check odie no machine no why you should not change wo ko hwe o service na
no me check wa ha mai
enya no na no nse
o de efutu
no no so na me de wo from e di na me ka dia ba besie and say ya ma girls no from 9 years ya mo panie ni bi cervical cancer ya wo vaccine wo ho na so de abo no ho bo no hu be ma dan tie no ye but de wo hu be ma dan de and once you be any screen ni ahwe enti man ye no omu ni nkomo na ye nkra ne bebre wo problem ya na ye parents and say parents na what pressure nkra ne bi so go through my dear
say peer pressure enti no ne nsemhunu ado so ne social media na ba kwala pi pressure so ko ni pe na ko di no fie bo be post aduane o social mesre won say
ne hair extension nko a chen
ne bo but no ni kapre eti no mama money and da hono na social no enye all that glitters and you good mama money in da ho there is more to life than Zania marketing kitena o me the sister Sandy and me sister
ya mankwa tamako
ya be mo Presbyterian hymn na Japan
anti dia hia
asembi
eno minim tu
ya rame kaino ana ma be my SD
da be wo ma me ba ko na yeta to no ba ku yeta to common one we
ready I suppose it's your sound
him whatever mem
him 115
emisa
o nyankopon na me tojo me mano o tumfo me no ni mewura dem say akrabo na dem go chat TikTok pa say akrabo da we na ma sister mo change me dey
Well, they're trying to come on the show and say, because so Adam was some Jibra Moshe Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So, no kono pepe PJ Mubaha, Minya Bema Kwasi, Ensia, a finish as you know, on one antimu, say the music as some, as a mototono, afei said ye mabura banka sese musi ebono na edwedie ho nkomo very importantly edwedie ho nkomo so no one mo didwa amamo hunu said 2023 nioma efa dwedie ho nioma efa osikasemo nioma efa wanka se wabura bompuntu ne okanko no ebesi befa beko yedase yegiri se odi ato kotudwema nyame ye wadoma eno ana odi ebobra yesima kire pefe se bra so se ye chichire ye dwuna oman Ghana ho nti ubehwema ye toaso miamia bi wono ma yegiri se na oman ne mu nipa ne binim no wono nti ase ne sinto bi ba honom a anko yama oman mu ni nyina nti ya ade a sa adwen toato na adwen chere ye ko enim 2023 no ye de san common ebre and we are privileged member of parliament for Lower Manya Krobo Oklite Tailabi make us say what na say ye cape no the constituency no and the Potem ho nyina no year 2022 it was quite difficult it was because of enyoma ba ku mienu miense bia esisi wo honom a isusu say e affect o mamu ni nyina na ye kɔ enim no adisuade a yenye free mu na enyoma ebetimi ya sa how ne union no entimi ensi e wo biem ti me man afishapa no na me sa na kwaba oklite afishapa
afinkometu
akwaba nso 2022 it's been quite difficult for constituency ho
very very difficult say me fa sa kwanya so na mediama me mpesu asofo nyina afishapa na obeka ne se okliboni
yeah
say afino enko nemra nembe tuye na won hwehwe ya emu huye se dia eti hoyi wo enije so me fi hono ma me party executives me ma o fishapa my new chairman GM
okay
chairman
GM
atemati unse yo GM ne yo GM wo
okay
any executives na and former executives me former chairman chairman water you know ma o nyina fishapa makachira o se yepe unity nkabum omahini me hono no ye so special say as I speak to you no afina air district assembly election afina ba be district assembly election
and delay anybody
now we had a dispute with Osudoku over Akuse na Akuse
a share no
a problem as I speak to you krano ya court edinkunim ni ade nyina but the constituency no pena ubemu there's an say a town within a town and a community within a community any part of that community there's a place called Natreku uko Akusia Lower Manya atwa ne ho nyina round but ono wo ye mfimfi but ono no say oni ni Lower Manya omo wo Chai Osudoku mi gidi say going forward ye di mra be ye adwuma because court rule high court
it's been settled
say Akuse belongs to Lower Manya until no be delay kakra assembly elections no be suspend here na say na ebe say ama ye calendar na sesa until time na nka omo to aba na yentimi anto because omo dey junction to so until started way back 2012 until ama ye calendar no every time bia na ya
delay Manya so nsem ho
ensem na wo honom no enye yen sabi ye crop no ye basabasa but Kroboni you can't cheat him omunimra na we are proud of whatever we have now we would always want to protect Kroboni asase there onfeni agro because who call and into who call ye nkrasi won Kroboni bia siden won ne na asase so and a friend who's a system na asase no ye tia te say kura obi na dan ye system no they protect nti no ko ye nkrasi a cluster of houses do fie back mo ben nantisa te say ha maybe the next junction so na obi fie back because obi a person see dan wo na asase to protect the land because their source of survival no ya asase nti no odi wasem back Kroboni asase so dia on fa ho nchew
I see. So, most of us have problem na we am and name Tuaba.
Yeah, Tuaba.
Assemblyman.
Assemblyman for no. You better Tuaba on the 17th of this month. I'm saying I can't 1.5 weeks.
I said then I affect a lot of development.
Yes. Honestly, Emma even cry now many assembly for no. Now we're trying to appeal to the president. Say Anka on real line through an executive instrument. Say ne national calendar no beko. Because it affect ye planning ni bibia. Because you see what it means even budgeting ni ade nyina kra it affect ye. Yes. It affect ye. You know our system is not aligned. Nti mini honorable Dambuchu ni deputies ni ade ni DC nyina ye paramount chief kra throw letter eba presidency. But you see, easy for no dey mra na e adwuma. Nti omo for say once the 4 years na air lapse no they have to. But I think that maybe a twemu na wonchi wo ho no. Assemblymen wo transfer be say for we had a situation where assembly wo transfer be say 5 years and almost 6 years. Then another time the na any assemblymen cry for
this been back and forth.
Yes, close to about 3-4 years.
Now, when you say affected with development,
say it has affected us, and if we don't really realign, and yet a normal year, but you see, power if president should come out with a fiat, say, oh, you realign, you see,
but how well, Anna, in paying for some more pushy that mentality to presidency team say we have to come to this
agreement. we have written. We have had a lot of discussion. And can say, ECDA. I spoke to the deputy minister of local government and only the minister. I know they are trying to see to his president. He should go. They can't do anything unless the president uses his power, or the IA. But that is also not happening. But for the meantime, the assembly election,
so for 12 years. It's been back and forth like
this. Yes. I mean, you're aligned to the national calendar. We tried some time ago to use parliament, but then also people. I mean, among for say, as I say, calendar whether it's aligned or not. That is what we have now. Until we should go.
So in the midst of all these challenges, now ECG is the boss.
Yes.
I said, more town. Growth and really appreciable.
Certainly, to a large extent, it affects you. But as I said, Nina Ejina and Amwa are buying the bit too. Because
why are buying when your DC for member of parliament or opinion leaders so why?
Ya pim so akogina EC for aboboa no wo mo de ne de wo si mra wo mo pese obi di wo be court but to me no ebi su kura president and the president etimi appeal to no na ono so gituma na otimi issue sa presidential fiat na mse be ye adwuma but you see another thing no to say including the minister assembly election it just we were not expecting it sort of because a boy how do you call it pusa because a delay near for say intentionally they want to delay it normal realign to the national one. But I see there's something. I'm not for me the court. Now anybody who is listening to me can easily place an injunction on this election because there are a lot of people who are turning 18. They are registered or more. Yeah, no, yeah. Because nationally, registration.
Until you cannot.
Yeah, you cannot vote. Until those who turn 18 the last 3-4 years, they can't vote.
But walk into the offices and then register and then that's it?
No. continuous registration and cost.
Is that so?
No. They should prove me wrong.
But that was the agreement that you walk to any.
But it is not happening. That is not happening. It is not happening.
When you turn 18, walk into any of the offices.
No. I feel na woman de LIB kura eba parliament. Woman person almost sister. E use national ID no as the source
only
document.
Recognized
is the source document for registration. And you know, no kura no mpuno say obi kokota obi timi di injunction akoto election because a lot of people are going to be disenfranchised. Anything na in the wisdom of but the person here no gidigidi. Na minim sankai say na here ni ministers no eka ho asem DCE. I mean it was a idea obi agi atum say we have to do it that way. The committee say obi so person court ni but again ankosi bebia you know.
So
election obaso.
How well na matimi I manage ECG in Sensem na kuruma no so ati ase say this is it. How well
man in media sida ebema kumanfo no. Me peso asofo no. Ena nipa ba ko ameyi no so no appraise no. Minister for Energy.
Napo.
In fact, na approach na make say obi ya
dia.
Osai I mean we no bibia meka bebia leadership wo enye fedi agro na so be a leader mi nyankopon edibi ache obi na odi ache no I must say ohwe ECG problem start here before
Napo
but previous ministers no especially the Obaya time omo botuo ni ade no they didn't do a good job woman ni kroma na ni ye anything the man assembly be here nwunai misunderstanding ne ba here no etuotu ni ade ba woman so omo set committee ba behwe the minister renege on ni duties one oba ho no mo be fa ho no because it was getting close to election to ababa be massage ade no okoye no ano no
amewu
one more modern cry. But anything you catch a president say reshuffle sometimes no eba pa napo Matthew Poku prempe baye no ni approach no na different na asem no kwa na more day eche amewu time no na nka amewu so ano pa engage the chiefs and the people to say they are Honorable Napo engaging MPs, ministers, and chiefs, and other stakeholders now. And Assembly could do baby do here. But I thank God now there's peace. Asumbiaba, ye role adeno kakran. Tiase juma eba. Nanse na me complaining about community bia na omo lines no na me appeal to minister no. On Krakajem said there was or handle adiano gradually. And Panso Mefi Egypt Abanona Oma Komenim Akabe Mifi. Don't tell me so no. I will see my Liga we don't know to church. I mean, but my pursue no because I want the problem to generally to be solved. Almost solve one. I'm using so can you me fear.
Even as you start the older soon.
Yeah. Me use genset near the me fear.
Because of Saudi now, almost.
Yes.
Which is not true.
Which is not true. You know. But Nina no. Yeah. Gusu. I'm happy. Say and then Tobe Nina akofo.
By the midst of Tobe, say you cannot be treated unfairly.
Well,
up to this point.
Maybe it's a sacrifice. I mean, yeah. Maybe it's a sacrifice because say me sorry say me so me he bia and also fast to do there emma but I think you know by and large
the humanity
humanity
the meters ne bobo
omo de bobo omo na
soldier for that so
omo ho Now
they are still in town.
Yeah, in town, but there are few problems.
But so much here said they are why they still in town.
Well,
ECG doesn't feel secured.
Certainly, that is what they think. But
so it's not solved.
Oh,
even though Minister Anna Montoni are appreciable, no,
yeah,
the issues are still there.
There are few. The ECG generally no more issues.
BM.
One generally no. Uko baby a meters.
Enye mo Hong Kong.
Enye Hong Kong meters. Ne meters omuni. Ama for pay meters ne ade. E ho no kura no bodo bu ho no mo a. Wo mo install ade no. Na untimi nkonko to prepaid no kura. Ukwa unya prepaid no to anase system no I don't know, I wouldn't use the word inefficient, but Wama meters no all right, but on Timin Koto, until one can say, ever connect my minimum direct near the till one reserve issue. No, a minimum cra no meters nibu honoma. As some the problem no buy no. Still, yeah, their meters are one call around the new system no. They have not been able to capture those meters. Among for AU here. So what it means, they say, in the future, when we capture, that's also make readings, also years gone by now. It is a accumulated bill, no, bill. But I hope, say, when we call around, no, now they taking notice of all of this.
Okay. If you've just joined the Mamenka House, Member of Parliament, Lower Manya Krobo, Telabi, and yene twetwe enkomo ewa anim say no Lower Manya Krobo ho enkomo. Well, be Kofi Ampedum Pacho, get to Uncle Fredima, Fred Chambers on the page. He's done a write-up there on this matter of my friends Miliki Meek, and I say Millie Meek, who said dear Meek, who said dear no. Uncle Fredima, aye, a write-up nicely. Uncle Fredima, good morning. And a lot of people will disagree, but that's your opinion. Inti Mr. Ampedu Kona Koken kind Uncle Fred. Atro Honom no. And then this is from Lawyer Edwin. Happy birthday. Shonko Ose me chairman for no me refi your ultimate president at 2025 you be sworn in. His Excellency John Dramani. No, don't go against the Constitution of Ghana. Which one? Intino train munyanyi flag bearer. Oh, as a party. Why do you take a position as a leading member of the NDC? Let me tell you something. Why do you do that? No, why do you do that?
We a politician. You share the ECOSU. The ECOSU. Within your party, yes, in Ghana? In Ghana, you see. But you've not even the masses. What the masses are demanding for. What are they demanding? Obia su so pe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And it's a masses look, yeah, call around here. Baby, I'll be Kobia, catch ye. Say, Munche ye. Now, one call far the Papuphobia ma. Mo de bar, they will chase you out. Me tears is here. If I make a mistake, now me go deal be here. They will chase me out of my constituency. I don't know what I say because I feel like mobile too much. Now, no more obvious. It's not obvious. Elections are full of surprises. Oh, but this one there to happen where it would have been the whatever wonder of the world. Yeah, seriously. That if your mama lose flag bearing contest now. No, if you grab the 2024 election, December election. John Mahama Lusua. One means say mean your politics view. Hey, oh seriously. Okay, I'm telling you. 9th January. If we don't have John Mahama as the president of this country, if you His Excellency Akufo-Addo Ukraine said this is what is going to happen, but Omianim, Alan Nim, Obianim said this is what is going to happen. Omaini, I am. Look, let me face the cameras. Now me catch them say. Adom TV. The people of Ghana are yearning from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to come stadium the last time. The ECOSU stadium now. John Mahama. Everybody. Ghana, it's your party internal election or can as a national elections? Me say national elections. If John Mahama, and I make sure say, we share the nationwide, no. I'm for choose you in flag bearer man dada.
more party for now as a young Ghana.
I mean, Ghana for now choose a man because everywhere you go, what say John Mama? Everywhere.
Hey, okay.
The grassroots. I mean, I make catch one grassroots. But look, we are not joking. And you have grown a video. Me nantipa me call now. Who call now call kasa? The woman be sound say. And if you accept the election, me could be me call round now. Me among for trying to preach peace. Omo hwe na omo nye
Obi anye boko
na bobi anye boko. Omo obi an. The omo catch them say your mama ne the obeba de. Your mama mu de ne ba. You'll be surprised.
But you have Dufour, you have Kojo Bonsu, you have other potential leaders.
Yes, they are. Our
That's why I'm saying Nehemiah Batoni
Muncho. Potential. There's no doubt they are all NDC persons. But I know the American, Obie ni hodomwa only me be DH. And they themselves they know. Maybe it is not because they want to win and become flag bearers, but they also want to feel relevant and be part of stakeholders in the future.
We'll have that conversation. Well, there's about maybe lower manya kroba. We are having a conversation. We'll be joining 0302 211 4 lower manya kroba. And since 2022 is see any the Gusway, member of parliament in Komunum Krana. I appreciate the energy minister Napono. No, also appreciating Nananum DC ni Krumano. Now, or admit it softly say still I say anopemu fanchemi nantwie binino enim na wo hoya ba se no still I say enioma kakra enenam honom so ati say nti we need to pay attention to lower manya krobo oye kroba na wo ho how is the feeling then also say betima ya ma bi nti ase aye adwuma prekope eba ECG nkoma eba ehye ho nkoma eba mpuntuo ho nkoma ansam ya be ye day to day politics na ye no. If we fight for lower manya kroba and we have the bigger picture now the internal one MPP NDC in there enormous but ye pride they say me ye kroboni me feel lower manya krobo ade bi e fa lower manya krobo ho bia na me hwese me ye ni yie anase me boa ma ye ni yie ye no na ya kwan ye ECG bibia da na kwam ahemfie na nanamo asoma dwomo kroma obi an watona then individually we take decisions as to which political party are necessary to without peace and development in lower manya krobo your political parties MPP NDC CPP PNC no entimina hoyi until let's think lower manya krobo if 2023 every locality should take a position that once me free kumawu ana me free raso ana me free abotanso ana say me free lower manya krobo ana me free somenya ana me free han me say baby am free bi dey kan be proud say o free ho ensure say e kronim puntuo ne kanko no ebe we hiasem nobody develops lower manya krobo for you better than mo ankasa mo free lower manya krobo it is another more responsibility members of parliament are responsibility DC were responsibility, assemblymen were responsibility, opinion leaders were responsibility. Yen swa ye free lower manya krobo, ye wa Ghana ni ye wa mananina. We have responsibility to ensure that baby ye free no hobe kama ejama. Fortunately, we started the year with a member of parliament, Oklite Tailabi, member of parliament, lower manya krobo. Representing the interest of lower manya krobo, even though on the ticket of the NDC. There's a clear difference. But several interest first. Nemum NDC amanyo ko ne de ne kotna sa eya akonya no so nya akwanya se me de be show me mind. Tinkunte boni bia na yebu I'll come to his person. He's been there second or third time in parliament. And yoma watimi aya makro man so for them to feel that we have Oklite, we have success, we have Oklite, we have development, we have Oklite, baby who am I? We'll have that conversation. But to say they're joining me. Ufi lower manya kroba 0302 211701 equity 4 0302 211701 equity 4 in the comfort of your home, your car, wherever you are listening or watching. When you need some common, share some of the memories, some of the solutions. If you have suggestions, be answer Fabra so that we can all find that thing in. Oh, back to you.
Yeah.
In the 2023 lower manya krobo member of parliament. Say now see what are some of the major needs I want me I get it closer in solving them, and then if you want more, I think our plans to tackle those areas.
Me that's it. Omahini. I'm say yeah, do Chrome Honomus the first idea will be who ube pese ye be who be ya kwan roads. And sana NDC be fi abem no na ya bomodin say a Chrome Honoman kasa no yeah asphaltic overlay the Chrome Honomo. Unfortunately no say na your politics anytime be aban be bia no ono so kra ne ideas ne programs or deba and all those things were shelved because omentimi enwie ni ntino eneno ne nyina tutu ne ade because the edges ne ade a esanka won be finalize ne ade nyina no manye ntino
year of roads the munya impact kakra
debi unfortunately
that's a crony mu de moye a farm market ni mu lorry station hono
yeah asphalt overlay 2015
yeah
it could do baby a friend hono Nwaso. That was the end. Now it was going to go to join the Tema Akusobo. Unfortunately, no, and also no, it came to a halt.
So what are reasons being assigned? Not contractor also.
Yeah, no contractor also. But the contractor at a point in time, the machines this hono a cause accident near day. I raised that concern on the floor of Parliament. Now, what I told the minister, and I said, if the project was not going to continue, our advice said won't be machine because it was killing people. Unfortunately, no me go back no more be machines no ko bibi answer maybe. And I have not sat down, without raising it. A parliamentary hands and the number of times I'm raising concern about our routes, especially even Akuse. Also, we have very important installations. Dam, people are doing serious agriculture. The bananas are in that area. Rice, if you want. But we road on the sorry site. Seriously. Now,
by your interaction with the ministry,
ministry. The last time, the year of roads, and it's our sign of hydro. Minister promised they were going to give us about some 8 kilometers. That area. Unfortunately, Amaso, last year's budget, one more constructed, one more year from Adenta to Akuse Junction. One more dualize it. And one more I do the attention of the minister to the president, to the president through the minister, say they should not leave Akuse out. Because Akuse is very important as far as our economy is concerned. The contribution is massive. Now, if we want people to feel comfortable and do their work very well, and they have to do, they have to make sure, say, from Akuse Junction, which is about 6-7 kilometers, when we dualizing through Akuse Town, Minister, I followed up with a question. The answer ever rising recently. We had a meeting with him again. Because they want the VRA, any other partners or more na until the minister continues. You see, Minister for Roads, honestly speaking, or Obia question be it's not one other Onyani. But the only problem is that I say Yedi Juma. Assurance is in the meaning Onyane Obeba no Obeka one same. But say a bay Juma and then a problem. I'm Madam for no Timia,
Mamenka Minister. Me who started inspection of roads, I think on the 2nd of January, Okohacho, Okohama Samai project, and other equally important projects. So, on the virtue of this conversation I have, you need to be a lower manja krobo, Ekusi. So the member of parliament, they can say a lot of issues. Or appreciate you for every time there's a question you come to give a response. Now, the worry now is that action your responses that you give. Inti Akuse is now on your map, on your radar. Nimnyamfo Amwakwanta say Obena Mr. Yinasutre said this is what we are appealing to him. Nipe wa akusi. Say akusi oya kwan pa but akusi kwan no. Omane nimra hona ontimi ntu ho na mo.
And another road very important, road and also no yejana Odumase Otokmolu.
Odumase
Asisawa road. Also predominantly no young for near farmers. A honor biani fipa.
Eba.
Na fortunately for us, no, your friend baby akata water lake no. Among for dijwa honum. Na among for fitema ni we ni abesin kotono ma honum. The NDC time no, ye started the reconstruction. Ya ye aka bridges binomo. Na badiba ko edi enya no so ye bibia this year I'm going to pursue seriously no. Yeah, the issue of mining of limestone. No, maybe Kosu. I mean preemptive, but I just want to tell that
it doesn't help the community.
It doesn't help the community. Woman, the locals, woman na first na ye gasem, and na to limestone woman locals no court near day. Woman mu die ni no, and then they have also been denied. You might GFU woman said they are woman nipa bako. Issues are this year. You settle.
But say you need to solve those problems before the ginseng.
And I can say
because
you be making sure say you solve our problem no this year. Say be ya obi abenya sumie. Esan say cars na fa hono no that thing na high pa ye say heavy duty trucks 13-wheeler. A 14-wheeler. No, road no. So it's one year road no na. Now woman nye ni year. Ti say dia one year asphalt na woman wie say no. Car ba ku faso sisi ya. And yes, in the wisdom of the NDC at the time no one year bypass be through a city. E be ba be fa na pie so many na fa. Ni nyina na start here first after first court. If so no ni nyina aka. And they say adani manholes e wo kwan mu ni ade. Ni nyina ka ye dadwe no ama enne no saa kwan ni nyina no it's nothing to write home about because ye ja ato ho no mama asai utia accident enso cost was road no so pa because railings no nje ye wie ye nti ese se wo de wo ye what do you call it wo ye kwan na nade na omde share chen ni ade nyina wo munya because we yin ni say yen wie no warning signs ni ade nyina e bi ni so nti cars no ti free wo mutimi ti free be rewura nkrofo fie ni ade ni nyina ye nsem a afie a ye wura mu amanfo e ka ho asem amanfo agina pa say sa no no say ye ka ho asem na ni nyina no yentimi solve.
Okay, so uba lower manya kroba TVET ebi omo
debi ebi ni o yeah meba sorry fortunate sorry we dey move and chemi ye wo technical training institute back e work bon na say very but they also lack a lot but in secondary schools there me can share yankubu enu nyam say ye 4 o hono mo e ma NDC time so almost am I back the E block no
lower manya
but no and so aka ejejem
ade
ya bosso but ye wie
obi ani ho
no madani
see what for how many years
since
6 years
yeah etwem kra because
more draw a year education ministry
ma ko minina kasa osimi ntro mra ma tro de ko mini MC akasa I mean
what's the challenge
in SMP
na now see in SMP no SMP
I mean you are pursuing the thing quite more all the assurances obekom mini minister call hono no mini kasa nicely sometimes o kono se nipa no wanyu tum wentie wasem oni wan kasa wan more assurance you are tempted to go out there
but more
assurance say
for how long no more assurance about one
I say the last time about a year ago say
during that time
before COVID no now say again the COVID excuse no so be kan ho ma so sikasem say ni kwa And as a reasonable person, somebody who has been in government before, one more those reasons now.
You need to understand.
You need to understand for some time. But others are going on. So
why is it that
anything no Nina can ye dadwin afia ye remu na say eba ne saa ebe boa ema kuro no expand community no aban di normal bibre betimi aka ho ama wo mo
okay
eno ya de ba kun so ye da yakoma so.
Okay, so Makacho, you can join the conversation 0302 211 equity 4 0302 211 equity 4. Wait, good morning, Omayene. The Odumasi to Otekpolu, is that correct? Road?
Yes, Otekpolu, yes.
Was constructed by the MPP, and when NDC came to power in 2009, they failed to do the finishing touches on the road. Now that is left with the bridge that connects Otekpolu and the road from Otekpolu to Asesewa and Otekpolu to Kofodia. The nature of the road is very bad. Currently, the government started these projects, but it has come to a halt. So kindly inform the minister for us. My name is Victor. Okay, Yankona Yane Gideon. Okasefri. Is it Pon? Gideon, good morning. Hello, Gideon.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, Gideon. What are you saying?
Yeah, what shall we win?
Good. What are you? Hello, Gideon. It's you.
Yeah, your friend Gideon, Nikasafi, Waterway. Problem back where, now person can be a disobedient of when you say, one more you should prepaid, you know. Wow, for make you are only maybe to the network and near Jumana. But you know, more postpaid, so I now women to have you almost enjoy it. How many you say, senior men so enjoy life? What I want to test car, a prepaid you can. They are not network, no, and down.
Okay.
One more you so that's one bad here. About how are they going?
That's another problem.
Problems. Because I have sometimes irritating.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's it. But that's serious.
Yeah,
and the problem, Bebo.
And no American one say.
More sovereignty is here. This should be a priority.
And only idea na ye advocate e wokromo no ma amanfo AGA ano ekosi boni. Ye can say ube roll out such a major program. As I say, say you carry the people along.
But
the people shouldn't see it as a punishment.
And the problem, Bebo.
And American. And then
Abdullah Machi and I probably say.
We just opening country and I'm going to say.
Oh, Yamia don't be able to. I think come back to you.
In fact, when you're coming to upper west central, at this thing now, I will be official part. You can mind in the poor, I don't see no more of us. On the indeed, when you're in fact, you're here and the children in India, get it to them for now. You need to move for when you have to do your SRC, also over to us. Now, you better, we share in the minimum the Akonia, yeah. The Saka, you better contract. So if you want to say, when young call some quiet to my man for Anya, and go to anything. Now, Anya and go to the bear after and you never go. And also, accident be pray. It's just a contractor for. So when you say, if we don't have some anymore, every traffic light is nothing, and I'll be me a yard.
Why
now the 1 year, now they're good. Dan say what the Anyame Bugu are planning, not the Bugo, not drivers way far, no way far, not pine, no way far, not pine. And now the way of
okay, okay, so yeah, that's it. Your name Daniel Free Apollonia, correct? Maybe we enough your back in rapport. Okay, so good morning. I'm to say. Okay, Daniel, you.
Mr. O, can you know? Say yes, no. Me wa pulling at me from government. Na ne wo mi yan se ye bibia na ya ka NDC na abayewi MPP na abayewi onu na eku ye no na from Odumase eko Otopolu okan road no afiwe accident esi wo last year accident esi wo so enye easy and yes no so who ka ye die ni bi me ka me pa obeka me ma yen ka politics in fine this MPP me you can direct yeah politics no yeah come at you say very be everything I am na contribution I papa the framework I
okay, so well noted, Okliti. For reference, NDC pension could do and a contract and a castle. But the manual sema be shame. But what drinking lower mania crop on the see Ayakwana be do her. Name of many minister Gusu Casa Stemian.
Very well, Medana Sipa, but the American, yes, I'm the political reference.
Okay.
Send a bit of time. Now, yeah. I dream at 30.
We are diversion.
About baby. I mean, it's an idea. I may sell it to one more to see.
Okay.
Say, maybe a woman who said sometimes one more to say school that I make see. Maybe I did school that I could see. Initially, the Omukasu I could see school. But no one tears here. Well, but the wisdom of the proponents, of community, we have about 40 communities over that area. Predominantly farmers. Those days, no. Only some of them, any scar, won't be me, woman, boarding school. You see, community day school, said a bear, Nipano, said Sebi, Banchikran, to Tuamana, and Ampana, between an anti-abba school, Oko school, maybe be a Oko school 3 times in a week, you can make it. And you know, when the school is close to you, these are some of the ideas.
Okay, so my take, ECG in Komono, just pay good attention to it.
Very well.
Now, so Assemblyman for them pay attention to it. Akuse they do follow-ups.
Yeah.
And look into the camera and speak to Lower Manya Krobo for 1 minute 30 seconds into your camera and speak to them in your language.
Yo, Lower Manya, ihanye tuepe manye, uklibone. Here was superior no, wange tuim jom. Kaki pimla nge Lower Manya. Makpanye peke isibam. Imi nye cholo, nye somolo oklite telabi. Ibi kuma igbega fosi. Kabene nye chuepe nye leo. Wa ni nango wanya bayo me. Inge himu nyutue. IJCJ. Ninge peye. Ne kema usuon. Jianwa wa sem hono. Wa blowing. Wa schools. Wa ni ne hiya wonge kuma. Titri nye wike yewi. Anoyam. Mabomodi ka ma chano ni ma yemu nyutue ne wike ne mena PM inyi mena PM MC ma cheme ke no me twepe ke wakpeo ne wanyene wake no yam e bakroma nyechum ma one jono fe no go
I'll not respond to our money aba. So the one can now the Lower Manya for more interest.
Yeah, that's right.
And what catch them on bibi anya boko. Na mama muntimin kambom. Na mu hu say 2023 they actually bia no obetime pull together in terms of ideas, resource and whatever. Number to one of the finest in terms of development. And then
because we are very industrious.
Yeah.
Very, very industrious.
Okay, so
make us move tranquility. Now me betia Omanpenyin Dada, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Now Obayas is very odd.
Oh, and yeah, odd. It is the obvious. It is the obvious.
That John Dramani Mahama.
It is the obvious. I'm telling you.
If
you're a political watcher.
But for the record, you are saying that so when we need 2020,
yeah, then we'll stop.
You will stop politics.
Yeah, it means there's no logic, politics, and yes, scientific.
Sir John Dramani Mahama,
which means there's no logic, politics, and yes, scientific. Yenyai political science na ye no ni yenyai. Seriously.
Lawyer Edwin, happy birthday. Osi Nkoma Gloria Kusi, or nurse or Aborso Health Center. Long life and prosperity. Where we?
Imi
ya po wano.
O sa. We mechia madofu nyina.
Yeah.
Afishapa. Afida sisi na nyaminti etiase.
Yeah.
Na bibia akoyie. Edema me chairman general Asedu Ketia ni executive omo yi wo nyina. Mima wo mo congratulations.
I see. Media mind the come na say. Thank you for coming.
Yeah,
Appreciate you. Bye.